Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of the tambourine mind, it comes a win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Just want to say greetings and respect to all massive bless up all crew. Welcome to the Mixup Entertainment sitting with yours truly, the king of Mixup. That would be me, Ragashanti, the principal, Mr. Washbelly. Big up my dead mama gone and Timber with they are holy trunk here. See me, big up my brother, big up my sister. Large upon yourself. You see. Big up all around here, you know. Members of the Tambourine Nation, you know, the Tambourine family, the Mixup and Blenda crew. Large upon yourself because we some Mixup Entertainment non-stop. You see it? I want the people that try blighted the thing, but we just a roll through, we just a cut and go through same way. I want some people. Yo, big up the man at Phelps and Philip thing when I go on because as we say, I will heap a drama come out right. And some serious sitting and come out right and thing, you know, with regards to what go on in our country and support and who I tell lie and who I play who and PNP and JLP drama and this and that and Ray. But by and large, it's a good thing still, you know. It's a good thing because it says a lot about our country that given all these, shall we say, gigantuan egos and personalities out there, that we can still have a process where they have to turn up and be humbled and subject themselves to verbal onslaughts of all kinds of configurations and things. And I'm going to answer a question and do a whole heap of hiding still go on. We're still seeing powerful people of influence and support, you know, being held accountable to a certain extent, you know, rhetorically speaking, you know, but, you know, it is good because perhaps, if anything, this process will serve as a deterrent to others who might, you know, desire to engage in all kinds of hanky-panky behaviors, saying, perhaps I should not do so, or else I might end up in a commission being subjected to some of what we see going on here. And these type of things don't occur in dictatorships. And the remaining communist entities, for example, you're not going to end up on a commission, not a public interest in China. You're certainly not going to hear about it in North Korea. You certainly won't hear about it in Iran and them places there and things. So it speaks a lot for our country that we still have a constitution and we still have a collective mindset where we can pressure our government to make sure that something like this comes about and that, you know, when it does, that the revelations, you know, can come on, you know, that we can have some sense of what is going on, even though we will never really know everything and so forth. But so, you know, the manner thing, we just want to know so we're there. I laugh off all of the drama, the generalship, and the chicanery that is obvious in its proceedings and things, but it's a good thing the country, by and large, will benefit in the long run. Even though nobody in it will guilty of anything or go reach anything because they're not from ghetto. Well, none of them come from ghetto, but in terms of where them there, them not going to get locked up and all them thing there. Probably only poor people that happen to. Well, all I know is say, all right. What the topic again? So we want some people call in Rooty right and don't forget to debate from now. We don't want nobody call in for getting a mix up yet. But we want people calling Rooty for get to debate. What's the topic for get to debate again, Rooty? What's the topic for get to debate again? You know, you want to defend. A Jamaica on the set. Then we want somebody else defend the foreign side. And I say, yo, the way things are run at Jamaica right now, I better you're there with a foreigner. For whatever reason, foreigner may treat you better, foreigner may do the things better, foreigner more romantic, foreigner more stable, foreigner, I mean, I know whatever I want to come with and thing, you know, foreigner may go better with no bleaching. You see? But we want somebody that defend the foreign side, and we want somebody that defend the Jamaican side. So we want to call Ruth right, you know, yeah, and make sure know say we don't want involved in a ghetto debate. We want to get at least two somebody right, you know, and probably a third, you know, in waiting for participate in a ghetto debate, cuss out, ghetto debate, and thing. And we want, you know, one person to defend the side that, you know, nowadays I better you there with a foreign man or a foreign woman. If you want to step up in a life, if you want things go on, if you want progress in a life, I better you there with a foreign man or a foreign woman. I want somebody defend the converse, which is that, no, I better you stay with a Jamaican man and a Jamaican woman, and you better off that way they say, nah, give up your Jamaican man or your Jamaican woman for nothing, you see? So call in right now and make Ruth know, say, you want to participate in a ghetto debate and sitting. Okay, we get a quick mix-up when we get a quick mix-up when we get, it's like a foreign thing, it's like a man engaged to a woman at Jamaica and then go foreign and meet up a money woman and then go engage she too. And sitting, and I don't know what I think, but when we get it, is that the Jamaican woman find out about the foreign one and quietly goes to boop and touch up in a foreign and thing, and I must find out the day when the wedding I go keep and all them stuff there and and turn up right in at the wedding and just make it known so she go turn the wedding in a funeral because any married are married as she are married to the boy. If anything really goes, someone that love for the deficit account and knows that we love them drama there and mix up. You know, you can imagine the good wife from Jamaica just turn up in her wedding gown and thing and say, "Hi, Miss Lady, how are you? And me, I'm married today." You see, can we get a similar mix up to that and thing. Man, sitting. All right, we're going to look a break right now. We'll come and we'll just juggle up back in our look mix up entertainment thing. You know how we roll so forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm walking the car and talk up the team them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our sitting. Michelle, what's up? DJ Nico, what's up? Nico, what is it? Nico, who are you today now?
I forgot to say, you don't know, we're still in a character, yo, Chano.
No, man, but the character is different. The character that sound like
the
Never
tiger
would sound
do.
like, you know?
Is it Tiger Corridor do sing the Redder Than Red song?
But that's a gangster voice, you know what I mean?
All of them cool.
All right, Michelle, let me hear your gangster voice.
No, sir. No, not a gangster at all.
Yeah, no, that gangster they are low. That gangster they are low.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah.
Hey, when Bounty Killer run that, yo.
Yo, stop me my laugh.
Yo.
Youngster na laugh on Thursday.
Yo.
Youngster na laugh
Because
on
I Ben
Thursday.
Johnson there and nothing I go run down. Yo, people still get paper on Friday.
What you mean on? Or
People still get
Like
paid
people-
mountain.
No, people still get. This may sound like a stupid question. It's weird. But people still get paper on weekend, like Friday.
I think so.
I think government people get paid on Thursday, you know.
No. Government people get paid monthly. That I mean like
Every Friday.
yeah, people get paid weekly, right?
Oh, okay.
But more when people get paid, the people still get weekly paper on Friday. That's still a what?
believe so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's still going.
I know for people who are in that position, I'm going to say, what a ragga? I want him there. They're very. I know it's a fortnight still around,
Yeah, man.
but I've always been uncomfortable with that.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
Yeah, no, I've always. Come check my fortnight and I get the things. I really know where you're going to give me. God, if that is the type of night you're telling me, don't take me. You could have go over there and just, yeah.
Warm you up, warm up your face, prime you
Yeah,
up.
give me a facial, you know. Give me some warm air that's a sink in your pores. And I said, then a fortnight.
And there's more. Where that came from?
Speak for yourself because you have those in abundance, don't you?
Yeah, I'm supposed to cause I'm Mr. LT. Yeah.
No, I use a stock and pile.
Yeah, supposed to. Something wrong with you. You're not normal. None of you not normal.
No, you know what? Yo, a long time when I hear that.
I'm normal, though. None of
Yeah.
you normal.
No, no, normal. No. Ruth, why you play about that one today? Yeah, why you play about that one?
No, you know remember the one who said, no, we normal. Yeah, I'm normal, lady, she.
Ruth, a Debbie. No, me no normal.
No.
You understand? That mix up there, shot.
Shot.
Anyway, stop it there, because that boy had Nico and give me a heart here, kiddo, man. Because of what me here, position. Wait, what am I going to do? And then I hear it play, and then me here. Sagali, you know, no man can't take it. Nico.
We call that
Nico.
tease. We tease the party, hype up the party.
No, man, but I kill you, I kill me after.
No, but we're
man.
not getting a hard problem, man. We just a tease the party.
Because, well, you won't believe the Carl going and whooped and down and know them tune there, you know.
Yeah, but the song not play just here. Say,
Oh,
girl,
me know. Me know, say, Carl, I listen to them tune, because you know, say, I used to do the things them to them tune. That
Yeah, but
I
we-
listen to them, I go and
Yeah,
boast.
man, I
you
mean,
know.
and then my bubble.
You can't see her call us I sing it. Carl, I say, position, hold up your head.
Because those songs are bad,
Yeah,
you
but
know.
Tom-
Oh, you hear that
Okay,
Buju that
yes,
he just played? That Buju, you
Yeah, that
rule,
Buju,
you
know,
want.
You heard that, Buju?
Back in the days in
About
Montego
Juju?
Bay in Granville, at Herbert Morrison. Position, hold up your hand and cock up your moon.
Yeah, but Tom, you heard that, Buju?
Okay, people, it's about 11 minutes to 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
You see? All right, and for can you believe it, today we are in the United States, and we're in a state in which I spent most of my time in the United States, actually. Connecticut, or as we say in Jamaica, Connecticut. But as they say in the United States, Connecticut. And the topic for today's Can You Believe It is church engages in gay exorcism. Church engages in gay exorcism. And exorcism is a big bossy word meaning you fling out dopey. You fling out demon out of somebody. You understand? Which is still formally recognized and practiced by the esteemed Catholic Church. I'll always be reminding you of that the Catholic Church, believes a dopey exists, a spirit exists, a demon exists, and they train people to get rid of demon. And this church, I know, them a fling out gay dopey. Make we read the Mixup. Manifested Glory Ministries, based in Connecticut, has made an outrageous video of an exorcism to cast out the demons of homosexuality. The video shows an allegedly gay 16-year-old who is put through the ritual to prevent his gay tendencies. The congregation gather around shouting at the boy as he convulses on the floor. One woman can clearly be made out bellowing, "Rip it from his throat! Come on, you homosexual demon! You homosexual spirit! We call you out right here! Lose your grip, Lucifer!" At one point, the boy begins throwing up in a bag. Maybe that is the homosexuality being purged from his body, or maybe it's simply that he was under that much stress, he lost his lunch. The Associated Press managed to get a statement from ministry founder Reverend Patricia McKinney. "We believe a man should be with a woman and a woman should be with a man. We have nothing against homosexuals. I just don't agree with their lifestyle," she said. The ministry has allegedly carried out several of these supposed gay exorcisms. They believe they're doing God's work. Others call it child abuse. Again, people in Apatwa, this church in Connecticut up in the United States, it named Manifested Glory Ministries, started by a woman named the Reverend Patricia McKinney. She believes that when you're gay, a dopey in you is a homosexual dopey in you. Is a gay dopey in you. And of course, given that they consider themselves people of God, they have come up with rituals to cast out the gay dopey, to cast out the homosexual dopey, to cast out, I believe in the name of Jesus, all of the homosexual dopey were inside these people. And in particular, apparently, they're doing it to children. So people are saying this is a form of, some people are saying it's a form of child abuse. But, of course, the church believes that they're purging these young people of what they are convinced exists inside of them, which are gay duppies, homosexual. Nico and Michelle, what do you think about this? What do you think about it?
I really feel say you have gay up here. I believe.
Nico, you know, say you have a whispering talking. If you have a whisper talk, so
no,
talk up closer to the microphone
when
and
make
make Germany turn up your mic.
When it come on.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Like say, it depends some kind of mission I have. Yeah.
No, but you see, I want to woman list them like that little voice. I'm not
No,
that voice.
true.
I'm not that voice there.
Well, if a man I listen to the show too, so
No.
you better go with the woman voice. So
No, I don't. Well, I believe say you have geared up still. No.
Hold on. Stop for a second. I've asked this question. Do you believe in dopey period?
I do believe spiritual.
So you believe that demons exist? And
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right. Do you believe that the dopey them are affiliated with people who they live on earth? Do you believe that some of them dopey are affiliated with people who live on earth?
I do believe so.
You do believe so? Are
Yes.
you aware that people on earth, you have man, you have woman, you have black, you have white, you have Indian, you have whatever. You also have heterosexuals and homosexual, gay and straight. Don't you know that too?
I've been briefed on this.
Perhaps you don't want to use brief. at this point. How dopey come about is after people dead, them turn dopey.
Yeah.
And if you believe that when people are alive, you have gay and straight people, then it logically follows that when the gay people are dead, they become gay doppies.
Logical.
Right.
Yeah, logical.
You must have gay. If you have straight dopey, you must have gay dopey.
So you want them to say no, like how them they have teeth. You have teeth duppy.
Yeah, you have some dopey still a thief. You have some, when the people dead and turn dopey and they still a thief. We have to follow the logic. No, with all due respect, people can't disagree with me. I think what this church is doing is damn foolishness. You understand? But that is just my opinion. Just the same way the church would have looked at me, and some me behave bad and I beat up people.
Yeah.
And think. Yeah, some church I could say a demon in a meeting.
That's true.
Them done
In
said
fact,
demon. Them done said demon now already, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but hold on. I'm not telling you the truth. I don't know me have my little thing with my nose, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See,
You know, so when me did have a Calabar all age school, them used to tease me and thing and I tease about my nose.
for real?
I'm a stab up boy.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
I'm a stab up boy.
Oh,
You know, so at one point, me end up with one psychiatrist at the University Hospital at the West Indies, him named Dr. Knight. And them I say, I am psychologically disturbed.
Oh no.
I fight up at no point did anybody tell me some most proud of my nose,
But
I was psychologically, and God bless my mama, nobody not say nothing about her. But another time my mother carried me go to somebody about the matter. And this man was convinced says dopey in me.
Oh.
Because me a wire people are y'all fit me, so you're not mature enough to make it bounce off for your life. No.
Yeah.
So when them a tease me a Calabar all age school, I'm a boy, I'm a defend my thing.
Yeah.
And boy a tease me and whatever this and that. Me and boy war. I'm a tab up boy with my pencil and my fork and all kind of thing. You understand? Cause boy a war me war back boy. Boy if you stop tease me about my nose, you understand? But the point I'm making, you have these people if them see something inside of you that they cannot explain and them don't understand it, they resort to their worldviews and them grew up and them grew up in a church and them hear about dopey, them hear about demons. So at some point them just convince it, I dope inside of you. And nobody can tell them, say, no, God tell them, say, I dope inside. Now God did tell them, you know. Then God did tell them, say, I dope inside. I mean, with me, I war over them, I tease me about me, know. And all it took from them is to say, listen, you're descended from people with that type of nose. And because of racism and white people and this and that, them teach you to hate your nose. And that's why to this day, me big up Rasta, you know. Me not care what nobody wants to. Rasta make me proud of my nose. They lucky, me not look for them. You see? So I think what them are the right is foolishness. Again, you know, me not
and look
say.
where them are dry thought from from
them are
short.
Yeah.
I'm out.
yeah, let me tell you, it's the video shows an allegedly gay 16-year-old who is put through the ritual to prevent his gay tendencies. The congregation gather around shouting at the boy as he convulses on the floor. One woman can clearly be made out bellowing, "Rip it from his throat! Come on, you homosexual demon! You homosexual spirit! We call you out right now!" And you see them a call out, you know, them a tell the homosexual demon, come out of the closet. Lose. Yo, we're going to break and come back. We're not done with Can You Believe It? Make we just make them read the news and we'll come back. We'll soon fall.
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the sitting, yeah, and we are still in our Can You Believe It? And yo, I have to big up my listeners, them in us, because I want to find the thing on YouTube already. The video on YouTube, it's called Gay Exorcism. Gay Exorcism, that's EXORCISM. EXORCISM. That's a spelling for exorcism. And it's Gay Exorcism. And the video apparently is right there because I see my listeners posting it and thing. In fact, get it up on the walls, please. Yeah. So yeah, Emily and Nico, what want to ask about this thing, you know?
Boy, you know, I was watching, I think I was watching Tyra once, and they were interviewing, can I say ex-homosexual? No, man, ex-homosexual.
Ex-homosexual,
yeah.
Yeah.
But he's now a Christian, and he goes to this church. And, like, she asked him when them do the exorcism on him and all of that, and Tyra with him, and, you know, in the presence of God and all of that, did he feel change? And he must say, really and truly, you know, him still have little urges, but him don't act on them. But he must try his best to kind of, like, get outside, because he keeps telling himself that he's not a homosexual anymore, but him still have the urge. So, may I say, to an extent, the exorcism thing, what them do with the youth, yeah? I really and truly don't think it's going to work, honestly. Because it's like when you just, it's like being a Christian. It's when you get baptized, you don't just change and hallelujah the second after. It takes practice. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if him no want it, even though them perform the exorcism or whatever, if him no want for change, it not gonna happen. Simply put.
That's true. I must keep in mind, a person can be something, you know, but choose not to do the actions of that thing.
Exactly.
For example, when people become alcoholics, you cannot be cured of alcoholism, you know.
True.
You just learn how not to drink anymore.
Yeah, to control it.
For people who don't understand, right? You just learn because, for example, alcoholism is hereditary. You can pass down from your mother and your father to you. So it's a disease and things. So you can be an alcoholic but choose not to engage in activities that would sustain your alcoholism. Mm-hmm. So by the same token, you can be gay, you know, but choose not to engage in activities, in gay activities.
Yeah.
So the him can say, I choose not to engage in it anymore because of religious reasons and God, which he's entitled to.
Yeah.
And thing, you know, but me just feel safe, you're gay, yeah, man.
That is it.
What you say, Nico? Me feel safe, you're gay.
You're just gay, Rasta. You know what I mean? You don't think you can just... No, me never...
Okay, Rasta.
No.
Come on, now, dress
We
it up.
should have put Rasta.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
the
we
Rasta
should-
was
yeah, we
meant
should-
to be.
Yeah.
The Rasta
Yeah.
was meant to be a reinforcing
Yeah, we should-
statement.
Like a you
there.
understand
An exclamatory.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you just gear ya man,
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
gear for real, I think. But you mean why you was Rasta?
That's
You just
right.
gear Rasta.
You just, yeah.
You know why I say that? Because Muta could have listened to the show.
I say,
And
I wanna
yo,
eat
how am I
this.
say?
I don't
How am I
know.
say? No, don't say that. Don't say you just gear Rasta. No, put Rasta
I said
in
I
them
gear.
thing there. No, but here is the issue. Though. Yeah, Rasta who gear.
Yeah.
You really have
Yes.
Rasta who... Well, actually, you know, the Rastas them would say, no. Somebody like that is not a gay Rasta. It's a gay person with locks. And that they will say, because them say the definition of Rastafari does not make any provision whatsoever
Well,
to
you know, accommodate that.
homosexual. Right. So
Dash.
a gay Rasta is really an impossibility. The
Yeah.
minute you're gay, you cannot be Rasta.
One more to fire dash right now. You see?
Yeah.
Fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Selassie.
I want a rag.
Yeah. Yeah. No, because no. All right, Nico. Yeah, you know when Rasta attack and then follow me now, Nico.
Yeah.
Ja!
Rastafari.
Rastafari. You can't. How would a gay person do it? Ja!
Ja.
Ja!
Rastafari.
I am just so ja! Rastafari! It not gonna sound right.
Ja.
Of
Hey.
course, we're caricaturing
Yeah.
homosexuality there because we know we have a lot of gay
No,
people.
all of a sudden,
They are not effeminate. Yeah.
Them that, Ja! Rastafari.
Rastafari, my love.
Rastafari.
No, man.
I am just so
Raga,
feeling
raga,
Selassie
look at
right today.
Ja.
Go Selassie.
Ja. Rastafari, my love.
That's why I'm going on.
Don't ever lay that man.
No, never.
Okay, people. Eh?
Rasta them not like what we're doing right now.
No, but wait, no, before you go though, you know, so that thing the way I say, yo, if somebody gay and them dead, if them spirit can still be like a gay spirit and romance still look people, you know, so I feel say it's true, I gotta tell you why.
Why?
Why?
I know of a situation like a girl dead, right? And like she dream about her sister. No, like the
Yeah.
girl dead before the mother, sorry. And then the mother dream about the sister who is still alive and say, like should I say, Ruth, you can't come keep me company. So in the dream, like Ruth I said to her mother when he and Pam say, I want me to you, so we want to keep me company for you're not dead. And like Shanique, or the other dead sister, like the mother would have said, Pam would have said, no the one Shanique, all she had was just walk and a look, man. Now bear in mind Shanique and her mother dead. Some believe so like if a gay spirit, if you were gay before, when you dead, your spirit still gay
You're
because
gonna
she,
still be
yeah,
gay.
cause she did love man, and her mother dream her sister and tell her that she not keep her company because she a walk and a
Oh.
look man.
So she did a take man when she alive.
Yeah, and when
turned
she
up,
dead, yeah, she just a room and a take man. So her mother
Well,
dream the sister.
well,
and
Anna, I bet you that girl over there pressure Bob Marley and Garnet Silk.
say, she
I
wants to not
bet you she over there pressure Bob Marley and Garnet Silk. You understand? Sure. Anyway, people, that was...
Believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Big up all of the people them who are pre the marriage thing and thing. Good luck to you and all who married and thing. All the best for the marriages so far. Hopes that the thing juggle nicely and thing. Artist of the week, Jagged Edge right there. Okay, it's a Thursday and of course it's all about get to the bait. It cuts out time right now. And we have people online who are going to defend the argument that stay with the Jamaican man and woman, rap. But we also have people online who are going to defend the side that, yo, you have to get somebody a foreign right now because the Jamaican man and woman, them just not cut it. All right, to begin with, we're going to start with, we actually have 4 people, so we're going to start with the first one and do the other 2. The first 2 people we have Janko, who are going to defend foreign woman, and Carl, who are going to defend Jamaican woman. Okay, so Janko are going to defend the argument, say, it's all about foreign woman right now. And then Carl are going to defend Jamaican woman. And then we have 2 more people after this. So I could just bring in And we just want to remind the contestants, the rhetorical combatants right here, that how we do it, one person make them talk to a punchline, the next person talk to a punchline. We don't want people to talk up at the same time. And remember, you're speaking to each other. You not talk to Raga, to Jankro, I call ya chat to, and call a Jankro ya chat to and not defend the thing. So look, bring both of them online right now. Oh God, I'm excited about this thing. Hello.
Hello.
Janko, you there?
Good day, Raga.
All right, Janko, you have to defend the foreign woman them and thing. Carl, you there?
Listen.
All right, Janko, you have to make a talk for us. And each one now about 30 seconds for talk at each, about a minute for talk at each point and thing. So Janko, talk to Carl now and shut it down and make him know why a foreign woman around the thing right, you know.
Yo, Carl, what about?
Hold on, I hear good.
Good, mama.
Hold on. Carl, you know here, Janko. Hold on, Carl. Janko, hold on there.
I'm not here, kid. I break up.
Jeremy, make call here, Janko. Make them hear each other because it's a debate to them for chatting and one another, you understand? All right. Carl, you hear Janko now?
Yeah, I hear, but
Janko,
kind of low same way.
Yeah, man, just listen. Yeah, listen very carefully.
When Janko talk, it a break up. I get some
You hear good, you know? You hear good?
You're not fly up good, Janko. Go on again.
All right,
Carl.
no,
You
Janko.
heard it now? You heard the lesson start from the school, yeah?
Go on here. Go on. But I break up.
All right.
Go on.
Let me tell you something. It's a final one. A final one. Money is stronger. The love is stronger. You get everything you want to get. So you get the proper sort out, the proper swiping, the proper loving. You have to wonder where the identity. You know our identity.
Hold on. Janko, sorry there. Janko, perhaps you talk too close to the phone. That's why it has sound distorted here. So you might want to pull pull with the phone a little bit from your mouth and think. Janko.
It's away from it now.
Yeah, Janko, that is much better. Don't
right.
put the phone any closer. All right. Carl, listen now. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Talk again, Janko.
You see where the foreign woman, the money is stronger because currency is stronger than Jamaican currency. And two things, they love him better. They know his identity. When I'm coming to the bedroom now, and I wonder if I want that, she just take control of your slide on, she just got everything for you. The proper sort out, the proper loving. Get a proper swiping. If she want to invite over two friends, she invite over two friends. And trust me, them well educated, them know what they're about. Them now want to
all right, I'm going to Carl now.
Hear me now. No, can't lie. You come to Jamaica, but you're not real cry. You're not real to the Jamaican. Them right now, it's one woman. Call them nice and sexy. Call them set, call them sort out. Body set right. I want to hear. We are talking about, I don't run no currency. I run a decent woman. With a decent education and a decent woman, you don't know, say, you can go and build with her. You see me? Them foreign woman, they don't ready yet. First of all, them can't cook them nasty. You see me? Them for them can't conduct themselves. They don't know to put themselves together. What do I deal with? You're not ready. You don't know about woman. My God. Check your file. When your name, Janko. Fly off, man, and go look something better, man. I want to hear. Jamaica area, Jamaica one of the real thing. I want to hear you. Easy.
All right, Janko, answer him now, Janko.
Brethren, poor people loving done. That can't pay bills. We are talking about them educated. First thing, Jamaica women try to get educated. The first them said, come on, go and find. They not want to cook the food. They all want to put a fine. Because they want to be like a fine woman. So when you want to do that, want to be, you have to go with the exacting youth. You talk about Brethren, Janko, the name. Because go up and any fine woman, I don't want to tell you. I know who we be. If anybody talk about nasty, you nasty because you can take a dog and train a dog and that become a decent pop. So
Pop him say people, pop him say pop, P-U-P, pop.
Yeah, it's a character, Raga, thank you.
All right, Carl, answer him, Carl.
Yeah, I say, yo, you're not ready yet. Right now, I get where I come from. Straight getter. Look at me, I straight getter you that evening. Right now, I'm in an uptown thing. Right now, I really get a girl left home. Right now, straight up and say, yo, I went in a week of the morning, breakfast, prepare us, well clean, and be a sickness. You see me? You're not ready yet, man, yo. Janko, easy yourself. But you just go and go fly on something with dead. Because right now, I be a dead, I pick up. You don't pick up nothing live yet. You see me? I say, fine. We don't have a mind on that right now. You see me, rest of all them go cramp and bujo. We don't dip on that. We stay right here. We not let us so. Nice dumpling, yam and banana. I want you. So just fly out, man. Fly out. Go on. This is already, so. You see me?
All right,
You're
John.
black.
All right, Janko,
Right
make
now.
your last start now. Janko, make your last start now.
I'm so hungry by the call, man. You might talk about food, you might talk about this. But you might talk about survival. Yo, I'm going to come from ghetto and that. You talk about who you be. And if you got take in a woman, you want to take in a woman who can be trainable, woman who can love you, woman can get everything what you want. And at the end of the day, you are the king. I come talk about going and go old. Listen, my man. You need a foreign woman who can bring in the stronger dollars to take you that's from the ghetto, but let you live in a palace. And the palace can be in the ghetto, can be anywhere.
All right. Yeah, make we your call final talk, you know. Make we your call final talk. Great Scott.
You know, Junker. So right now, I want a nice Jamaican woman who can do things. A nice Jamaican woman ready. You see me I say? Right now we are talking about woman who this and that. Them are ready. Right now we want a Jamaican woman ready. We don't say yo relationship. A woman have them head on them body, a woman they all about. You see me I say? Right now, your woman, them saggy. They're not ready. They're full of like a piece of clothes. They need to pull out. They're full of like clothes in a jar. They need to strain out, man. They need some, what you call it, spray starch. Them full up, man. They want steam out. They're not ready. They want to see a drunker. They look something, man. They say, you're not move right, man. You're not move right.
All right, Junker. All right.
But deal with the thing. Raga, one thing.
All right. Hold on. All right, Junker and Carl, just go and build for a little bit right now because we soon come and ask the people them who win around there and thing. Right now, we're going to bring in Goodas, a defend foreign man, and we're going to bring in Karen Wildman, a defend Jamaican man. Again, we're going to bring in Goodas now, who are defend foreign man, and Karen Wildman, who are defend Jamaican man. All right, Karen Wildman, you there online?
Yeah, hello.
All right. You're defend Jamaican man, right?
Yeah.
All right. Tell Amelia say she can jump in our debate here. And and then we have Goodas now who are defend foreign man. Goodas?
Yeah.
Goodas?
Yeah. Hello?
Goodas?
Yeah. Hello?
Yes, Goodas?
Yeah. You're not hearing me?
Yeah, man. Me here. Goodas is a Goodas, where you calling from?
How do you hear you?
No. Okay, all right. Goodas, you defend foreign man and Karen Wildman a defend Jamaica. Goodas, kick it off right now and tell Karen why foreign man are the in thing right now.
Because I miss the pound, great pound money send regular come to me, don't you? Don't you?
Talk to Karen, talk.
Karen? Yeah. Yeah, me say British pound, my love. Money come regular to me, yeah. Yeah, I know that was going to be a main factor, money. I'm going to tell you something. See, every man, yard and abroad, them give bun. But you see, when Jamaican man, I give them woman bun, it never take long for the woman find out. I say, foreign man, them give bun with our dog. I don't hear you, know. The son fine man, I give bun, them give bun with our dog and puss. Fine man, them a freak. No, when they're good, them can't give bun with dog and puss. Because maybe you don't go like that. Why don't give you bun with dog and puss? I don't mean love them give everybody. It's a fine man right now. When a Jamaican man, there with the woman, him there with the woman for love and married woman for love. It's a fine man. When you broke them married for money, because them marry you, insure you, and then make sure say you're dead. Nothing there with me for goodness to come and do it like that. Don't say it. Maybe you have a reach or something that I don't really want you like that.
Goodas, talk up. Goodas.
Yeah?
You're a man, right? Goodas, you're a man, right?
Yeah.
To Goodas, man. You're going like afraid of Goodas.
We're afraid of Goodas. What fine man not treat Goodas, right? I don't start him attack as in the part here. Let me tell you this, it's a Jamaican man. When them have sex, you know, the most them can do is get too pregnant. If you find man have some state of the art, STD, a dash up and girl. We not nothing with that. We not. Me not hearing a Karen speak up. Yeah, hello, what you say? Maybe it's something I can put people in a coma, I don't know. Come as a comparison of the correct my good British pound. Yeah, well, Jamaican man have them money too, and it's not all about money. Because Jamaican man can start out and save money long, fine man of them say 1 minute. I really don't want the money is supposed to collect it because you fix up your house and use the real house, don't you? Karen? Yeah, we not say no. Yeah, so you have to fix it and say, come and make people start. But come and stand me here, that's the last time. Stick with the pump right below your arm. Carry me that here, you know. Yeah. Anyway, Raga, we are new the winnings and call it Christian one. Raga, I can't do a thing, Raga, today, you know.
All right, good as, I tell you. Okay. All right.
Raga.
We're going to make people, all right, good as, well on the current, well on the thing. We're going to make people vote for the first one now between, right now, we want people start vote between Janko and Carl. Vote for the first one between Janko and Carl. I'm about to look on all of the wall, them right now. All right, I could see the votes, them Janko and Carl. On the start vote right away. I could see what go on a different wall and get a sense. Shell down the thing right now. I could see what people want to vote right away. Vote right away. Vote, people, vote. Between Janko and Carl. Carl, straight. Carl. Stacey do love girl. Carl, she say. Princess Fabulosity, Carl. Who else? Come to people, vote. Simone Party say Carl. Raquel Winter Blake, Carl. Ragashanti abstain, Scott, Carl. So, like Carl does a lock it. Everybody has a Carl lock it. Carl Don Janko and thing. Jeremy Atkins, Carl. Tammy Ennis, Carl. Julian Carnegie, Carl. Russell Borland, Carl. Kimberly Goodas, Carl. Marlene Andre Muma Jackson, Carl. Beauty Queen Mika, Carl. IrieJam Young, Janko Mese. Latoya Stolisha, Carl. Richard Thompson, Janko. Tishana Bless, Carl. Okay. So it look like we see what going on so now. And team I could jump go over Mixup yard now and see what them say over Mixup yard. Carl take it. J-Rock say Carl take it. Everybody over here say Carl take it. Glamour Evil Edge McLean say Carl. And thing you see. Okay, so it look like Carl shell down the first competition and thing. We're going to take a break and we'll come back. We want to start vote between Goodas and Karen. And people may tell us say, I am shocked, I am surprised with the outcome of the clash between Goodas and Karen. And think I'm not saying that I couldn't see how the vote said. Well, we'll break and we'll come back. We say, what on the opposite between the clash between Goodas and Karen? Who take it? We'll soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team them.
Okay. We're back. Welcome back up in our setna. And of course, it's all about get to the beat, cuss out. Right now. And we're asking you to vote between Goodas and the Goodas. I beg your pardon. The competition between Goodas and Karen. We want to start vote right now. Let me see what go on and thing. Start vote, people start vote. Goodas and Karen, start the voting right now. Let me see what go on. Goodas straight. Goodas take it. Goodas win. Goodas, Nikisha, Nikki Brown, Goodas, Tamilia Morris, Goodas, Nisha Mundle, Goodas, Alicia Brown, Cleary, Goodas, Prince Abstain, Kuban Steams, Goodas, Tristan McLeod Beast, Goodas. Well, it look like Goodas lock it over upon a wall. We could see what going right here. So now we're coming to mix it. This is AC Wall. Latoya Stolisha, boy, a Goodas win still. Although I'm vex. Kimberly Kibrat, Goodas. Shanalise, Sashi Flex to launch, Goodas. Cavalry, Goodas. Vex with the Karen Jano, that a beauty queen Mika says, Russell Borland, Goodas. Stacey and Bofisha Rose, Goodas. Francine, Princess Fiona Jiggy, Goodas. Jeremy and Atkins, Goodas take it, Karen. Jano, I didn't expect Karen for dusty up Goodas. But Karen, I rate if you accept it before him done, you're wicked and thing. That Karen make the boy kill her, Nettie Boo Nisha said that Tashana Brown good. So okay, I could see what going on. I mix up yard now and thing. You see what go on a mix up yard. When mix up yard, I say over here, so you see what mix up yard people, I say, and something, and something. We see, working my way over to mixupyard.com. You see what them I say over there, so I'm sitting and thing. Come, load page. Hold on, we not see this thing, all right, and thing. But I look like a good as. But anyway, quite surprising. Karen still there, Root. Karen still there. Hello. Yeah, Karen.
Hello. Yeah, what?
Yo, some people are asked what happened. They must say this is not the Karen them know. What happened?
No, well, it's not really my topic to debate, you know. I mean, I understand why they never call me when the phone debate are gone.
When the what?
The phone debate.
No, but Karen, with all due respect, you can't talk about other debates now. You're in this one, all right?
Well, I'm going to say that is. But get put on the spot, I'm going to say, all right, might as well, me try.
Okay.
So I'm like, no, I'm going to get too serious. So I'm going to just say, try. I'm sorry, me try. Well,
all right, so. Sorry. All right. No, yeah, but at least you come compete and sitting and thing like that, and I saw it go. And I will say, build back.
For the moment thing, man, son.
All right, let's say a word. Carl, bring in Carl. Carl?
Yeah, I'm there.
All right, my king, them say you take your clash and sitting, so we just want to say congratulations, and we'll be in touch for sending on some things and rate. But question, and the people them want to know if next week you would have clash good as.
Good as?
Yeah.
What are the debate about?
No, the same topic.
Same topic. All right,
yeah.
anything, you're ready for shell it down, you know.
All right, so you would have defend the Jamaican woman them?
Yeah, we're not switch.
Right, and you know, and good as a theme thing, so good as would have defend foreign man.
Raga.
Whoa.
Raga.
Whoa.
But shell down the other one, I decided to call him out. I didn't get no call.
No, man. That going to work. Now, what? If that one here get $3,000, that we sure about. No worry yourself. But there's something else, I think. The sponsor them I say, how did you?
Yeah, man, I need to shell it down, man.
All right. Don't worry yourself. All right. Make good as. You can bring in good as right here now. Good as.
Hello?
Yeah, man. Good as.
Yes, I'm right here.
Yeah, man, them say you shell down the thing and you win, so we go with what the crowd say and the people in fear. All when them vex and them did want somebody else win, them fear enough to say, and you take it and thing. All right, you have a $3,000 prize and sitting. And next week, one competition for the shot way between you and Carl. All right?
Uh-huh.
All right? And
yes.
we start out some other things too and things. Some sponsors are sending some other things. So we just want to say congratulations and we look forward to that get to the debate the next week, Thursday. All right?
Okay, my first time calling. I got about long time listening.
All right, then, good as. Let's say a word, man. Blessings and respect. All right, people. That was it. I saw we do it on Thursday. It's named Get to the Debate. Cuss out. And we just come up with some random mix-up topic and thing. And we just make the people them talk the things them. I will leave it to you, the listeners, to be the judge, really, and who take it and support and sitting. All right. We're going to jump down and go in our calls them right now, and it's all about the topic where we're depending on. And know, say, it's how you catch somebody when them a give bun. How you catch somebody when them a give bun. What are the techniques? What are the different things them you do to catch somebody when them a give bun? All right? You know, did somebody catch you a give bun, or did you catch somebody a give bun? How you go about doing it? Oh, you smart up the thing. Oh, you clever up the thing. Just call in and give it a mix-up. Or if you observe a situation with somebody, just move X on somebody and catch them when they get born and it shell down and slap way. You just give me a call and tell about it. Indeed. Okay. Again, when you not shell down the mix-up them and not turn up the mix-up them for some people, don't call them name. Don't call them name. And please, don't cuss no bad word. Don't use no swear word. Don't say nothing when up the on radio one thing, but still talk up the things that I'm not afraid of most of people. Or some people who want to use the broadcast commission to fight against you because I get that would say, or cause, we come a country people talk or whatever it is, or because them afraid of references to sex, don't afraid of them. Just talk. If you want to make references to sex, make references to sex. There's nothing in the statute that says that is illegal and thing. But don't get too nasty with the thing or graphic with the thing or talk or give it too much details if we're not talking about sort out or swiping and all them things. You understand? You see it? And when you call, we don't want to hear nothing radio in our background. No radio in our background. No radio in our background. And thing. And you see, if you go on and you trick Root and you go tell Root, boy, you have mix up, and then you come on and then you going to do big up, we're going to cut you off. Because it's not a big up show, and a big up make the show get popular and things. So we don't want nobody calling and give big up. Because once you allow one person will give big up, everybody else want to give big up and sit there and think. All right? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
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 Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga, it's Angel from Monday with the stab up mix up.
With the stab up. Oh, it did go again.
Catch man and give him a bone and stab him up.
Yeah, I will tell you. Yes, man.
I go up on Facebook and 378 friend requests the people them send me.
Well, you don't know the show set already, extremely popular and international, it's global, so. But don't me tell you that already, so you can get
I know.
All right.
Anyway, the man called me and asked why I have to call you and get the mix up.
Okay, how that did go? Wait, him did listen to the show?
Yeah, obviously. If whenever him there listen, people call him and tell him.
Oh, Zin.
Them friend them a laugh half time because them know say him the argument.
But all them know him?
Because they in the hospital for a while. Him come out and never tell them say that.
Okay.
So
No, but him coulda him coulda in a hospital. Him coulda can't remember what tell.
I know I name that. I man. Just give a name. I know I name that. I just
but still avoid calling names,
Okay, dear.
Still avoid calling names. All right then. But you're good otherwise though. You have any mix up?
No, I don't mix up. I first bone that me catch in my life. So.
Are the first person you catch a gear bunda, right?
Yeah, me not catch no more.
But if you have a next man and you catch him a give bun, you promise say you're not gonna stab him up? Promise me?
Hopefully I try.
Listen to me. I don't want you to hopefully. Tell me that you won't stab him up. If you left him, you left him.
Then me not stab him up and left him the other day.
Listen to me. Me say, if you're there with our next man.
All right, Raga.
You catch him and give
bun. Stab him up.
You're not stab him up. Right? If you cut, you cut. If him violate, you cut. But nobody stab him up.
Yes.
And him not put him on you either. All right then. Good. I work with you right. That's now we know. All right. Let's see a word, man. All right. So with all of them friend requests that now, link up with the Atman.
Why Atman, everybody I look.
All women are moved to I saw Facebook running, the woman all step to your street. I bet you some gangster lesbian all look here and say, you have come in and this here. You're not going to stop me up. All right, let's say a word here.
All right.
Yeah, man, bless up indeed. All the people that are going to add from a good picture with me and Shireen and this from AC wall. I'm thinking people that talk up some things. And because Shireen have on a black t-shirt where say, I love my boyfriend. And think, people that say me and Shireen there. And think, don't mix up the woman, don't mix up the woman. Shireen, a picture hot. A picture from my Facebook AC wall, me and Shireen understand it hot. Everybody does a hype about the picture, so, oh, Shireen, how you make me look good, so? Shireen, how you make me look good, so? No, sir. Shireen, you make Raga shell down, Shireen make me look like $1 billion. I want to some people. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes,
Raga.
What's up? Yeah.
I big up the dirty man when I live with. You don't know what's a Raga. Because I come off a tree, I'm a lyric, yeah? I win the $3,000. You don't know what's the man say sleep, you go sleep with it for the $3,000, Raga. From that the time the until now, the man will stop nagging me.
Hold on. When you come halfway tree, all you did win the $3,000.
When you say any woman or any man with can lyrics a woman or any man with can lyrics a woman or any woman with can lyrics a man rather.
Right.
Remember when I said some want like the tree me want climb up on your limb and twist and turn rather upon it?
Yeah.
The same day when Grace day in the park.
Remember, man, in the halfway tree when Grace, it was the Grace and Pastor cook off and thing, right? Yes.
Yes, rather from that the time until now, I can't live in peace in my own. I can't live in peace, rather, because of this dirty man.
When
anybody will listen to Raga. Because I mean, if you didn't know, say I listen to the show, the way all in trees. I listen to it back in the night again. And
hold on, when you say, the way I'm always had done me, you never know, say him listen to the show.
Always had done you, Raga. And I said, Raga, I don't see people. Anybody will listen to Raga, them no good either. And he said, they are wicked from listen to Raga. I mean, never look up on a lyrics thing yet and come a lyrics thing. Pan national radio at that.
So wait, him don't know say it's a game?
He no look so. This man is crazy. In crazy, Raga.
So when him say, you dash out this and give me, and me pay you $3,000 for the work?
Raga. I every day I come to work. When I come to work, Raga, the man say, he no know if I know you, I'm going to do it. At daytime and talk about work, me I go.
Aye boy. Hear the levels, Jan. Mr. Man, if you are listening to the show, if you have any link in listen to the show. It was just a game and the lady win. And if you listen to the show regularly, you know say me always I give her money. When people come mix up and blend that show, when they come on OB and whatever, me always have some little competition, some little game, some little gimmick, some little play sitting and whatever. I always I give her money and things. So I don't nothing like that, Daddy. I don't nothing like that. You see it? So I don't want you to take it on that level. If you really rate your girl like that, and if you really know say it's a good woman you will do it, you will know say she not going to just go dash out $3,000 give somebody who should just meet. Dash out her work for $3,000 give somebody who should make. So with all due respect, I don't want you to take it on that level, I'm done. You see it? I not beg no friend from you. I know you're not beg no friend from you and thing and see it. But in terms of you and your woman, nobody make them foolishness to come mash up on a thing. You understand? All right, babes, don't worry yourself. Here, everything is everything. I saw you think set. Here.
All right, I'm not stop listening to you. I'm not stop loving. And if it come again, my lyrics again, Raga.
All right. All right, baby. Blessings and respect.
Yeah, love you.
Love you too. All right, thank you. Hey, Jano, big ass serious. You know, all the while me hear some situation where some man I take the thing them too serious. And we always I talk about it. And I encourage a man them, you know, to say, you understand the level. I just entertainment and thing. And I don't want them go get so insecure about, you know, when time when a woman them, you know, come the thing and enjoy themselves or talk up the things I play to. You see, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but she mix up to you, Raga. But you see, she mix up good. She Bunning wicked, you know. Not me in that way, but she never. I'm a nice stopper. I love you, Raga. So right, the same thing woman never say.
Nico, I never say nothing about
no, you never said, but she said, love you, Raga.
Me know what to say, but me not touch it.
So you know, say, in the woman say, them in the ear just tell the man, say, adopt me a top boy, you know. You tell the man, say, you love him, you know. Boy, I tell you, boy, your life.
No, hey, but, Nico, the two telling incidents with this, and interesting, the two of them up naturally. A man and a woman end up a stab up one another. When I say stab up one another, I mean good stab up one another.
Wow.
Because him now when she listen to the show and jealous about it, and she determined that she going to listen to the show. And I fear her radio, and him end up a mash up her radio, and she stepped in. Stab up one another, you know.
Sure, no.
Good stab up me attack, you know.
Over the show.
And I say, no, I say, yo, the thing never go this one, whatever. And it just get kind of ugly. And I say, John was there, he said, after, and a good while ago, it's about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Yeah. And I say, you know, so I need to be careful on the road, because a man could have a pre-mistake.
Yeah, man, love man, good have pre, man. And I say, yo,
yeah.
it seems like
yo, that's why I Yo, man, I don't talk. That's why I always make sure some linky I watch me head back in when I don't know see them dead. You understand? But anyway, on a different level to hear that one I know. And this me I tell you now, listen this on Nico.
Yeah.
A woman come to me and tell me say, she and her man kick off, right? Because she said how it goes is that she always listen to the show. And in my pressure for start out when the show go on. So she said she don't feel the need for start out when once the show on. So she said him kind of get on a level and know like, no sir, this Raga thing I can't be that important to you. Let me see if you really love me. If you can give me start out. And crazy pressure reach her. She said eventually she give me. Right? And she tell me and I said, then don't the man them insecure them with it. So me, that's why you have to be careful because me running and I said, no, for real, him can't insecure about the show them with it. And she started go up on that thing and I said, no, him can't take it them with it, man. Big man thing, man. Me surprised him get upset and all them thing. Then no, me I tell the truth,
Yeah.
And me dead. And then she said, me don't know how the argument going, but she said, yeah. Because I start out, me just see him start lean, like him a lean over to the left, him a lean to the left. And thing and that so the drama. I said, what you mean? She said, we did a start out, and I give him the start out good, and him start lean over to the left. If I get the start out, him not just take the start. But I said, what you mean?
I don't really want to say.
Him lean over to the left, and then him go see the earphone in my ears, Raga.
She's something. Oh, no. Oh,
the woman and listen to the show while she here, man, the walk.
No.
And their argument is, Raga, it was a win-win. I got what I want,
and
he got what he want. He should have understood. And I care how me tell him, I say, my girl, if a meme would have vexed to, me can't sort you out and you there, I listen radio, I listen Ragashanti parent. If me was a Ragashanti, and me a sort out my woman, and she have earphone and listen there, me not,
you don't look good. You don't look good. You can't sort out the woman and shall listen to Multi Perkins.
You don't look good and you can't feel good neither. And all me I try to tell her, I say, no. If you agree with the brother, what you do, you violate, you disrespect.
Now look good.
And she has said no, because she compromised. Because he knows that she listened to the show at that time, and him shouldn't go ask. So if him pressure her, and she give in and give him some sort out, he might get what he want, and she a get what she want. And all me I try to make you know, so my girl really was going right there, so it was a threesome,
Oh, tree. Right there. And when you did the Raga, you did right in her ears.
Yeah, he might do something else than me, I do the ears.
Your voice is all up in her ear.
All up in her ears. The two with it up in there, no, man. But anyway, so, but no, differently still, you know, more time I drop all on some ends, I not take no check from no guy, you understand? You see? I saw it things set up. But give me an next caller. Or you catch people when I'm give on. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Raga?
Yeah.
First time caller, long time listener.
Yeah.
Very much younger enough. Like you want to mix up with my mother and my father.
Yes.
Me did much younger enough.
Yes.
We live in a St. Mary. In our lane. And my father used to keep one woman cross the road from which part we live. My mother decided to say, I'm going to catch him one night.
Right.
And he used to say, I lie, my mother tell you, no go so. My mother set up one night, moon shining like deer. And my mother set up one night, man, when I think my mother had the bed, my mother out the door. So we did that one little puppy, follow my mother, anywhere my mother going to follow my mother. So the night,
the puppy follow your mother.
The night, Mr. Mama run come in the house. And call me and say, lock up the dog in my house, lock up the dog. And I just call in the dog and lock the door. And I say, Mama, pick up one piece of board. And I say, Mama, where you go? He said, lock up the dog, me soon come. So I know lock up the dog in the house and take time go to the gate and I look down the lane. I say, my mother bolt over the yard. But my mother go on and eat the cellar and did I watch them. So till then drop us, so till then lock down. Board.
Pan the two of them.
You probably told them. Yeah, my father. Lord God, I want to do this. I want to do this. So my mother said, when he said, him a go hold on canal now. So she fly through the door and run good on a fit him mother, because fit him mother did live nearby now. And call him mother, and him mother open the door fast and lock back the door. She bolt in the house and him mother lock back the door, and she tell him mother what go on. He trying come out now. Can she say she running down her mother yard. He say come out now, come down her mother. Mama, they call me in there. Me just use that name there.
Yeah. That name there, right? Yeah.
Mama say, do you know? Mama let her out, because she don't know what she do like a while. Meanwhile, him run up front. Mama, my grandmother let out my mother through the back door, and my mother walk through the bush and come up.
Right.
Get in her bed. When him come up, Mama fast asleep.
So wham do.
He not do not morning in there, grumble, and a quarrel. Mama not care if Baba not bring him.
Okay, but you know if him and the born girl, it's still a sort out.
You mean right now?
No, I mean after that. After your mother beat the two of them with the boat.
Yes, ma'am. The woman did move. And he can't ask. When my guy work, come on, and tell you, my pass on him bike, I got work.
I pass on him bike, I go work, see me?
Yes, he used to go up there to sleep.
What you know, say, for real and things. But why not? You see some people, though, when if they mean for give on, not even beating them, then start give on, them still are going to do it. Nothing can attack them, but your mother not easy. Your mother turn soldier and commando in the night, the man.
Yes. Put on some piece of pitch tight board. All the man you see me do one crazy nice face out of the pitch tight board.
All right, mommy, thanks to that one day here.
Raga, you know, say me love Nika Bam Bam do.
Tell him.
Me don't know him. Me just love him. Me just love him vibes. Me just love him. When I mean love, me say me love Nika Bam Bam.
Nico, answer the lady, man. Answer the lady.
I thank you very much.
Nika Bam Bam, nobody get scammer, man. Me say me love you.
No, if you love me, I love you too. I say me love you too. Me love you.
Bye, Nika Bam Bam.
You go, baby.
Raga, me love the work where you're doing, so go and do the work where you're doing. You see?
To the world, man. What they are turn up strong, you know. Even when the haters and the wicked and the dirty bad mind people, them are come with, we're stronger than them. You understand?
Anytime she come and hear me, listen, Raga, she see her head.
You see it?
She look at her head. One day she slept on the road, man, and she want to take off because stress. She just drive past her accident. I was station Raga, the pan.
All right, take care here.
I start listening to Raga.
See, then take care, man. Take care here.
And I hope town boss to you too.
No, me know, man. No worry, man. We're going with the well of them and listen. Enough of them and listen. We're going to get the rest of them to listen to. All right, you take care here.
Yes, Raga. Yes.
All right, people. We're going to break right now. We're going to rinse out the news. We'll soon juggle up back up. And I was setting us soon forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love to call them, you know. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the team.
Yo, welcome back up, welcome back. I just want to say something real quick before we go to actually the phone line. People, I want to see that drama there with the reporter from TVG, right? Wagwan and things. So it's a big stink on the internet about it. I want to hear me I say, you know, for kind of ease up our fire. I want to make it look, in my opinion, I think somehow I make a bigger deal out of it than it is, right? I don't hear you say that, but it's just interesting to me how the matter is dealt with. When the news come on first on TVJ, I not found a notice to stuff. We never hear nothing about it. And then we hear it on CVM. Again, When the music come on TVJ, we never hear nothing about it. And of course, if anybody I hear about it, I must TVJ, don't it? And we don't hear nothing about it. And we hear about it on CVM. Talk and talk, and I see una cuss and this and una say, yo, whatever. When Milk thing did go on TVJ, run it and things, so why them never run this and things? So big debate go on about it on the internet. I just have someone know. Yo, with all due respect, you know, I just have say, I remember when my thing did go down and me resign from the station over so. I resign. And when me send him my resignation while the show go on, them, you know, over the University of the West Indies, them send and say, yo, you have to leave the show right now. And them tell me to come off, I'm going to come off. You know, them say, well, if you resign, we want you leave immediately. We don't want you even done the show. We want you leave. I that them say, but I resign, me did resign. I want to remember the lead story on TVJ tonight. Ragashanti booted off and whatever this and that. And one people I said, yo, make them put it so on Ray. And they did mention in the story that I resigned, me did resign and thing. But certain comments didn't make and nothing they talk. For my morning program, you know, radio program, you know, what they drop on me and whatever. I'm going to just kick back on my all my thing because it was big news. So I say, me notice it too. Me I go up on record and I say, me notice how the matter is dealt with over RGR and thing, you know. When somebody else, TVJ run it quick. You know, if it didn't fit in backyard, whenever I see it, yes, I later on down in a different news, it make mention in a kind of sanitized way. I sit. And unfortunately, sadly speaking, this is a little thing where out there, I'm going to choose my words very, very carefully right now. I'm not pick on nobody, but as a citizen of the country who notice how the media run, and people always tell me, you know, them always have problems with me with respect to, you know, the content and the delivery and the style of my show and whatever. Whenever notice, with all due respect, I mean, I pick my words careful because I know the people with sue and all them something. But, you know, Butch Stewart essentially owned the Observer. And when things come up involving Butch Stewart, the Observer deal with it in a certain way where you can say, the same thing with the Gleaner and Oliver Clark. Whenever things come up with Oliver Clark, it's dealt with in a certain way. And with all due respect, it makes you kind of wonder. And it's not subtle. It's quite obvious. If you go on the Gleaner thing right now, you see one interview with Oliver Clark on TVJ, and it just get it on the Gleaner, website permanently. Now, well, if I interview, do you know? I remember I said the Gleaner report news, you know. So you have to wonder why the Oliver Clark interview on the Gleaner website permanently. And of course, if Oliver Clark is the owner of the Gleaner, it makes you wonder why the interview on it permanently. And the same thing, you know, for the Observer, with respect to how the Observer deal with certain things with its owner, the Honorable Butch Stewart, and thing. I'm just saying that these interesting things have not escaped me, and I'm sure they have not escaped others too. And it's interesting that very often here people jump on my case and whatever, but them don't touch these things, you know. And you see how them kind of work out there, like in a kind of generation or whatever. I don't know. I just say. But again, with respect to how I soon dip on this thing, you go dig up all kind of things on the arrest record and all them something and picture and whatever regarding the incident with the reporter and thing and whatever. But that being said, I just want to go on record. I think that somehow I take the thing too far and go and make some statements about the person in a way where when I go and like she kill somebody, she never kill nobody, right? You understand? So, may I ask you to ease up off her a little bit. But I take it to them levels there. I want to do it and thing. I want to know, say, you know, there are people over the place that are too fond of me. So, I like me to defend the place or whatever. I just say, give her a break. Ease up off her. It's really easy for butter brew somebody when them drop down a little bit, you know. And sometimes when somebody make a mistake and drop down, you have to just focus on helping them up back and bata them. You understand? All right. Tap my piece and done. Want to remind you again, it's all about, you know, how you catch somebody when they give on, how you catch somebody when they give on, and that with the point, how you catch somebody when they give on, how you catch somebody when they go. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, greetings.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. There you wallet, man. I give thanks, you know.
A country.
Country girl from Donkey Lane. Oh, yeah, it's a country girl.
I'm good, Mr. Study, I'm so slide and wine.
So what go do?
Not much, we got a mix-up.
Send on.
But say, big up to a lesbian girl, Raga, who have a girlfriend, and she claims to say she's straight, and the war gay, see a gay, over a cock, and the cock don't belong to none of them. Is a part
Well on. Start it over again.
But say, big up to a lesbian girl who have a girlfriend who claims to say she's straight, and the war a gay boy, see a gay boy, over a cock, one who belongs to none of them is a pastor man cock. What in his same boyfriend, same Valentine.
No, well on. The thing mix up, you have got to take time with me right here now. You said big up a girl, a lesbian girl, who there with a next girl who says she not gay, right? That's how we don't know, right?
No, they not, me not know then. She say they not there, then she just straight.
All right, she said she's straight. And then one out, she a war who?
She know, the straight one know the war a gay boy, see a next gay boy, over a cock what don't belongs to none of them is a pastor man cock what ain't to see him boyfriend, see him Valentine, other day. Can you believe it?
Well on. So she a war a gay youth. Over, she war a gay youth for your next gay youth.
Gay youth.
Okay, so she war one gay youth for your next gay youth. Over one cock, you say?
Yeah, 1 2 foot 1.
1 2 foot. Well, yeah. Okay. And then, right, and the cock, you say?
To none of them is a pastor man own. What in this same gay youth for Valentine other day. I could not believe it.
Also, the person gave theme gay youth a cock for theme Valentine.
Yes, and they catch the phone. One of them catch it and decide to eat it. The other boy come in and say no a theme. When this result come out, and of none of them after the pastor man own.
Oh, okay. But the pastor man give one of the gay youth as a Valentine Day's gift.
Next gay youth, so you know, 4 of them did it so.
Okay, so you have the girl, the 2 gay youth, and the pastor man, right?
With theme gay youth.
With theme gay youth.
Yes, so now, when me in America, you know, well, one of my friends call me and say, country, boy, you do something to me. So I say, what you want me to do for you now? She said, well, man to come check her. And when the man come, me not fi shout out to me, they go tell XYZ that I fear man. Me say, all right.
Well, set up part there again.
Me say, when me they married other day now, one of my girlfriend passed me, go out the road and call me and say, country, come here. When they got to Raga, she said to me, say, somebody if you can't check her out. When the somebody come in, she shout out to me, go tell XYZ because she knows I'm more like. Anytime me see the gonna move, me always say me go tell her man.
Right.
Me say, all right, babes, me not say nothing. Rather by me sit down back, I want to carry me, say, come up in front of me, not the same pastor man.
I went the backside there tell me, say,
the same pastor man, when the pastor man come out, the pastor man lean to him left, put it on and carry door and take out 2 white balloons, put it in his back pocket. I could not believe
God.
Well on, and when you say 2 white balloon, you mean condom?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the pastor come out and then come out, the same pastor lean over, take up in 2 condom out of car, put in back pocket, and then put in Bible under the arm and go and check the woman.
And then but the pastor man come exactly 2:30 when Super J they go on. And after then done with them, then come down exactly 2:40 when Yeshua they go on.
So well on, the pastor come 2:30 when Super J did a start. That's a Johnny. And him done 2. And then him done 20 minutes to 3.
When Yeshua come on.
When my show did I go on. Okay, so you get the time them specific country girl. You make sure you get your time them clear.
Right. So now, me.
Well on. And this woman here who the pastor go look for, the same pastor who get the gay youth the cock for the Valentine Day gift. This woman have fear man different from the pastor. Now the pastor knows that she have her man down.
She's just the bonner girl and him is just the bonner man.
Okay.
So now, them say now, my friend, them tell me, say, me no bright, me don't, because if me did bright, me wanna go to the pastor man and ask him certain things. So me end up the other day, see me in a Falmouth and say to him, say me know where you do and me know who you are. Him said to me, say, I know him started, or God started, because if God didn't take away Mary from Joseph and breeder, him only have to go the way they look, neither woman to satisfy him. Hold
on the country girl. Hold on the Papa Jesus, you know. No, sir. Country girl, hold on, stop right there, sir. Are you telling me that when you say to the pastor, say you know, say him a take a next man, woman, and him a go on with the things, the man at this and that, the person, the person responded by saying to you, when it comes to Bunning and them thing, that is not him started, it is God started, because what?
God should not take away a Mary from Joseph and breeder. So I want God take up him as he put on a cussing until I walk. When me done cussing, me not to remember say, me have a foot stand up in a fall foot when me done with him.
Country girl, what you think about a pastor? Because remember say, in our Bible, Mary there is Joseph, you know, but that Jesus is the son of God and Joseph son of God. So basically that pastor is saying that God take away Mary from Joseph, go breed Mary and bring Jesus, so Joseph get born. And that the pastor said, what you have to say about that?
So God born Joseph. Okay, me know God born Joseph, so that's why Bunning after one.
That's why
it was shouted out.
No, sir, no, I have never heard, and this is coming from a person.
And nothing for Atraga, the Sunday day pastor man them now going to at the 7-day pastor man them.
Well, the pastor is a 7-day pastor man.
7-day Adventist.
Why we always get
go say over and in between. So he's a big man and he know why they say.
Then wait, is it the case that this person attack man too?
That's what I'm saying. So I never know saying go two way because when me see him come to my friend now and she ricky nyami beggy and see so she want everything. If she could have even take one of the dead out of the grave, she take key. So she
Well, make we go back to the cock argument right now. So, you know, so I'll be honest with you. I understand. I did follow it up to a certain point, but me last some. The pastor did give and gave you the cock for Valentine's gift, right?
Yeah, other day.
But the gay youth that they with our next gay youth, right?
Me no know. Me start it. Me no know if the pastor man gay youth, they with our next gay youth. More than me know say a girl who claim, me know say she a lesbian, you know. And in there with one next girlfriend who claim say she a no lesbian. But that the girl who want say she a no lesbian, when I want to get you to some family, me know if a cousin or a niece or what. So the two gay youth now they cut because they catch the cock, one on the cock. So I saw it end up now, you know. So she ended up with a gay youth, fear gay youth. When they rectify now, the person man come and claim the Redam Shakak, say Redam Shakak film cap and give film gay youth in Valentine.
So basically everybody did a fight over the cock.
Yeah, everybody fight over the Redam Shakak, and the Redam Shakak belongs to the person and for him man.
Hold on. You just use an adjective before the cock. What you call it, the cock? What kind of cock?
Redam Shak, Redam Shak, you know. Do you hear them before
Hold on, country girl. What is country girl? Country girl, remember that town me come from. What is a Redam Shakak? What is a Redam Shakak?
And the color, I think the color feather what it was man. You have some reddish color.
So what them call it? What them call it?
Redam Shak.
Redam Shakak. So it's a type of cock where country people refer to like I say, see a Redam Shakak there, right?
Right.
So country girl, hold on, country girl, hold on. Is that generally considered a good cock?
It's a beautiful cock.
It's a beautiful cock.
The meat sweet.
Oh, the meat sweet. Tambourine. What you say? The red arms of cock, them are good. Hold on, the red.
Why so much of them fight over the one cock?
Okay, but I'm asking, country girl, what I'm asking you as somebody who know about fowl. One, you said the red Hampshire cock is a beautiful cock, and you said the meat sweet. So country people them can't tell the difference between how the meat tastes between different cock. Is that true?
Right, all right. To my experience, it's like when you're young, the meat cook on the Arab, but when it over the limit, when it gets old, the meat trashy. So it takes more time to cook.
Okay.
Common fowl meat tastes different off a white fowl meat, you know.
Oh, common fowl tastes different off a white fowl meat. So
yeah,
when they're young,
fowl, the bone I eat, you can't char the bone come like a plastic. And the other white fowl, you can char for them bone.
Okay.
People love the country fowls, so.
Okay. But basically, the whole animal fight over this cock. This beautiful cock.
The one cock.
The one cock. This beautiful cock, the red Hampshire cock, the whole animal fight over. But the backside. And at the end of the day, it's a pass of cock. It's really a Valentine's cock. Like I said, the cock was given for Valentine's Day. But why would you... Country, tell me, is this a big cock or a small cock?
It's a big cock with a big head.
Okay, all right, then leave it right there. So leave it right there.
It's big, it's a big cock, a big one.
A big cock. Okay.
They're well fed. They're well fed him.
Them well fed him. The cock,
fed him
no.
pretty well.
Okay. So wait, the matter now, everything did resolve. So when the pastor come in and say a theme cock, and him give the youth the cock and whatever, everybody done the argument right there. So did the youth take back his cock?
Yes, he did take back his cock. So come now, me now investigate the whole matter and try and get the right conclusion. So the guy gets his cock was Valentine.
Okay, I see. Anyway, but in all of this, we should be...
Anyway, now, on your topic now, a lady tell me say she can make out the difference. When the man they give she bun, because she think about the start out and know when the man give bun or not.
What do you mean by that? Say that again.
She said when time her man, right?
Yeah.
She start out with her man for like 2 weeks. And when the man come back to her, the way the man anxious, he said, Mama, you know what, so he just come right away. So he said, Mama. But
say that again. Hold on. Itawa?
She said when she not start out with her man for 2 weeks, when he go back to the man in no time, the man ball out, me mama.
Okay.
Right. So she take that now and make a mark. So when she left and go for 2 weeks and come back, and when he go back to the man did the go on, you come from 1 to 100, and now he can't say, my mama, so that means that somebody was there. They take the estimate already.
Oh. Tambourine!
And it's with red top, and she wear them like tattoo palm body every day something.
Okay.
big
She
up.
nice same. She a dress up in nice same clothes every day, though.
Every day like tattoo.
Yeah, man. We call them one suit hot girl.
Yeah,
So you
it's a
say
big
when-
up.
Yeah, so when them wear the clothes every day, you say the clothes come in like tattoo pan because it
Yeah,
can't
because
come off of
tattoo
them body.
every day something on your skin and she wear it every day upon her body.
Tambourine! When you say some girl a hot girl and them when you say some girl say them a hot girl and them clothes come in like tattoo pan them body.
Right.
Can't come
You
off.
know?
Yes, country girl, me good long time with a ear for you, boy. You call in and shell down the thing. You confuse up some people, but if anything, me explain it to them here.
You see, me go, me don't say everything over everybody. When I criticize, they all love me. So I go, love your uncle, love your auntie, Michelle, everybody fell off.
Mad country girl from Donkey Lane up in Trelawney, right? That's us. Mad sitting there and them mix up the shell down and boy, Nico, Emily. Well. Eh?
Yeah, Donkey Lane.
Yeah, Nico, you didn't able to follow that particularly the first mix up. I bet you don't understand.
No, me never understand it. Me never understand it.
Emily, you follow it?
Why? The only power me get at the New Hampshire foul. I thought.
No, New Hampshire cock. It's a cock.
Oh,
It's a
the cock. Oh.
It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay to say it. It's a cock. It's a
No, honestly,
no.
didn't hear that part. I thought she
No,
said
let me
foul.
tell you why some people probably get confused. Initially, people think a coach did a code. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what made it think too.
No, and a coach a code.
Or mix up
The cock is a real
tune.
cock. Well, you know what I mean? Like real rooster.
Yeah.
It's a real rooster.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right, so
okay.
you just need to understand that part first. It's a real rooster shot that one.
Right.
So basically, now, you have this girl who say she's straight,
Right.
but she there with a lesbian.
Right.
But she says she's straight. But she, at me get it as close as me can get it now. She end up argue with, let's say she end up argue with two youth over a cock.
Right.
Who own the cock? So them did a war who own the cock. And as it turned out, none of them don't own the cock.
And that would be the New Hampshire cock, right?
The New Hampshire cock.
No, the Red
The
Hampshire,
cock, the
sorry.
cock. None of them don't own the cock. The cock was actually given to our next youth by the pastor.
Oh.
So it's like the pastor come in now and basically say, you miss lady and una miss a man over there. So wanna argue over my cock, but it's my cock. I give this cock to this and a cock I'm gonna give to Miss a man for Valentine's present.
Jesus, Father.
That's how they mix up. So it's really I don't know code a cock is a rooster.
Dan Killian.
So now country says she thinks that a man that he just a bounce it. So only if you see the man come in 12:30 country girl get the time right. And him never left till 20 to 3. And before him going out the house with the girl who have her man, he take up 2 country girl, call it white balloon, that a condom, and put him Bible and their arm, go in there and go do him things. And when she page him about it, the man trying to him started because that God take away Mary from Joseph and go breed Mary and bring Jesus. So him start the burning. That's why Banner born right now.
Oh no.
Only ever hear them slackness.
Oh no.
Only ever hear them slackness. Yo.
No, them
If God could have blocked some of them, you see, man.
Yeah, lock jaw straight now.
Empty box. Hey, you know one of the unexpected box, them the hand back.
Yeah.
You know one of them, yeah, them backhand.
Backhand.
Them one.
All right, well, I break. We soon forward. Mix up.
A mix up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the team them.
Mix up and blender family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Mad. Why that? Yeah, yes, Nico, yes, Emily, yeah. You know, say, well, if people cut up about that thing there, though, you know, about what the pastor say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, we probably need, Ruth, we need somebody to explain to me what going on this, yeah? We need to get a qualified theologian, a qualified minister, member of the clergy to like explain about the divine conception. And Ruth, we need somebody who is versed in, shall we say, a scientific epistemology and a religious epistemology.
No,
that is what we right. No, man. That's what we need. We need somebody who can explain it from a scientific perspective.
Yeah.
Because that is what confounds some people when they try to understand what is a divine conception, and also be able to authoritatively explain it from a religious orientation, and importantly, be able to converge both. Because again, you have people who can explain it religiously and just tell you, say, don't give a damn what the scientists them say, thank you, and go. And then you have the scientists when them say, the religious people, they're just a bunch of superstitious people.
Cause and effect.
And them just give the scientific explanation. But the people whom we really rate are the ones who can explain the same thing in each orientation and make you understand it and say, oh, and them people I'm rate, you know. All right, so Ruth, see if we can start with that for religious mix-up. The divine conception. We want somebody to explain the divine conception to it. I think Mary and Joseph there, but Jesus is the Son of God, and you know, all that really go, you know. All right. That's one thing. But someone said the pastor Lou.
Yeah, man.
Good Lou.
Yeah, him Lou.
No, well, what I would say is, and some people have a problem with it, is that here everybody have a right to question things, don't it?
Yeah.
Right? So you have a right to question this. You have a right to reason something and say, no, but this is unresolved. It doesn't make sense. The conclusion is illogical. People have a right to do that, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Where I am disappointed in him is that he calls himself, he's already calling himself a minister, a pastor.
Yeah.
And then is holding that belief to justify his very unchristian and unpastor-like actions. You understand what I'm saying? Therein lies the hypocrisy and the wickedness.
And it's not like we're living in Rome.
Because the point me I make, you know, I bet you say, even no go up in a church and go preach that.
That is true.
Go preach.
That is the point I'm making. If not go up in a church, go preach that. You know, if I go up in a preach, I'm going to go up in a church and burn out the people who commit adultery. And that's me a problem with him. That's why people like him, me burn them out. Because if not going to a church, go do that, you know. So, why him preach from the pulpit is very different from why him a practice. Right? So, the teachings I give the people, and I tell them how they must be, is very different from the principles that he's following to justify him satisfying his hedonistic needs, etc. You understand? Dirty man them, I then cut Jesus' slipper.
Jesus slipper.
Yo, but no, I'm not lie. Yo, some breeders say they will come out for this show you know, sir.
Real man.
Mad. Yeah.
Why?
But you see, all this a dirty boy, Wayne Warwick, and so if it's a divine conception, he must say, that's not divine, buddy.
But you know, it's like, if a pastor can say something like that, it questions, like, on what basis does he go on a pulpit every Sunday and preach? What are his beliefs? Believe it or not, you know, I know a lot of people not gonna agree with me, but I don't think, like, with the whole ministering thing and being a pastor, I don't think there should be a school for that, because most people, everybody knows, say, being a pastor, of course, is a job, so you are gonna get some form of compensation, right? Like, yes, it seems like how some people go in at some job just to the money or whatever, because people have a certain level of reasoning, right? Them can reason out things. A lot of people just go in it and, go buy the books, you know, and whatever, and do what I say, not what I do kind of thing. And, you know, just become a pastor because, all right, then, it's cool and everybody will look up to you and whatever. I think the whole background behind being a pastor nowadays, it has broken down, like, a lot. But I know.
Okay, okay. What you're saying is that, well, you probably could have said a little short.
I could have said a short and eat it.
No, what you're saying is that there are people becoming pastors and ministers for very different reasons.
Yeah.
That has to do with saving souls.
Like doing a test
Anyway.
and you're a pastor.
Yeah, see that? Anyway, again, call in and give us some mix about how to catch people who get born now, or you get catch when they did get born now, or you catch somebody when them did get born. Tell with the techniques, them and support and so. Again, we are big up, we're honorary members, them in other topic, yeah. And big up the serial number crew. Again, the girl them from UTech, who the girl said, oh, when she realized, say, her boyfriend had give her bun, but when she checked the condom, them always did the right amount of condom, the right amount of Trojan, and the right amount of Rough Rider. My girl just start check the serial number them, and I saw she catch him, and he could have body no.
Serial number, she go?
She check the serial number upon the condom them. Cause what happening, you know, when him a do the things them, you see if him use like a Rough Rider, him replace him go back and buy a Rough Rider and replace it.
Yeah.
So in terms of the amount of condom them when use pan she, him always have the right amount left. But she pick up the rake and stand right on the serial number them for all of the condom them. So when he must switch and whatever, he must switch Rough Rider for Rough Rider, Trojan for Trojan. But him not keep check out the serial number, and so she catch him.
Boy, she free. She watch Wally Part.
That man. Yo, but me I tell you one of the wickedest one do. Nico, you hear that one I do? Let me tell you already. A woman buy a phone, Nico. And she set the phone, she put the phone in her man's car. And set the phone. You know you can set the phone so when you call it, it just answer. Once it ring, it answer. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You can't set your phone for do that. Most people don't do that, but you can't set your phone for do that. So she take off the ringer. So when it ring, you're not going to hear it ring.
But it just
but
automatically
once she call
answer.
the phone, you know, the phone open.
Answer, yeah, she hear anything.
It answer, it open. So she hear anything in the car. Hide that little phone in the man car back and seat. When him in the car and talk the things them, all she do, she just call the phone and just listen everything what I'm saying in the car.
So like him a drive out of the house, she just say, all right, baby, and him just drive out and she just boom and make a call.
Call the phone. No, she them not for wait till him drive out. She can't know say, oh, him a leave work now, him in the car now. Or,
yeah.
Oh, at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, I'm not see him. I wonder where him the boom, she call the phone. And thing, and probably I'll hear him and say, him all talk to him, cat here and bone a girl, and I say, yo, rate it, I love how you fling it up last night, or may I come over now. She hear the things, them.
Yeah.
Anytime in the car, she just hear the things, them, and him never know, say that I go, hey, that mad, you know, man.
It's a good idea, me like that idea.
No, but me just show you, you see when women set their mind to something, man, them just, for their mind just work different from man, you know, Nico.
And we not think that we do, we not think that.
No, man, when it comes to details and scheming and being patient and plot out the thing perfectly and not while nobody, you see all we, when something happen, we just get mad and bluff. Hey, girl, what you do, man?
Yeah.
Hey, sometimes woman, we all see her do a thing and say, what that were really? But just go and watch him for all 2 months.
Wicked. Them are wicked.
Hey, no, them different them way there, man. A man don't pay attention to woman in terms of details. Woman always pay attention to man in detail. A woman will walk in a man room, man, and you see if one of them cologne shift on the over, right away she know what to say. Hey, it's why you live with woman too. It's why you live with woman too. That's why I tell you, say the man them will bring them born a girl go at them yard and them live with them and eat that. Hey, a woman will just walk in and don't even see nothing and her spirit just tell her, say,
something right.
Yeah. Something right and just all get cross, you know, man. A woman will look on her bed and say, no, something wrong with that bed I spread. I don't know.
I
need a mean or you spread it, you understand? Talk about spreading bed. Yeah, some man I give on and all them things and live by themselves and rate it and whatever. I don't know, say, them to make the place stay the same way. Or it always stay when a woman come over and smell the same way.
So
you know, so only if a man don't pay attention to smell.
So when them have a different, when the woman is a different
Yo,
fragrance.
a woman can walk. All when you bring up on a girl in your house, like the day before, a woman will walk in and smell traces of fear perfume from the day before. Whatever Michelle could talk about the man them do. But a woman will just walk in and hey, you know Maria them will say, no man, we smell a Chanel number 5 perfume.
What?
No, because them bad them wear them. They will tell you which perfume. I said, no, Chanel, after me wear Chanel number 5. You know, say the girl Juliet wear Chanel number 5. And what Juliet do in there? The man has to get like him and say, Jesus Christ, how she know? I don't even know. Nah, man, when it comes to them things, the woman them different, man.
Different.
You see all the phone thing that, Nico?
Yeah.
woman, you generalship on phone different from me, you know. You see, when the Bunning man call the woman them, first of all, the woman them always answer them phone.
Yeah.
When the Bunning man then call, right away them answer, the Bunning man call, you know, Sandra, what happened? You go over there for real? No, you know, somebody that go, but all the Bunning man I say, we are talking about, we are talking about. She just do a conversation same way. If him smart, if him smart, him pick up and then load the phone and thing. But she answer the phone and she talk like she talk to her friend. She not get mad on the phone. Hey girl, you know easy, but and then the Bunning man, my girl, where? Oh, him there.
Oh, Make we get that car now. We get the car with the
That's why you get catch Nico.
Well, we are there, me that. So we don't want that. Then we lean over to us. So you know, answer your phone and we the phone.
Oh, idiot.
Boy, Joe, I want to talk to you.
Just get boomy.
I will start get boomy.
And believe it or not, you know, a female can know when a man is talking to a female differently from when he's talking to a male on his phone.
That's true.
Because
let me tell you, first of all,
if I am virgin, I say, what go on, do?
No, hold on. What Nico, one of the biggest mistakes we make when the Bunning girl call me and think, here some of the man matter. Hello? No? Mm-mm.
And you know, talk to friends, so idiot.
Yeah, man.
You know something not sure?
Yeah.
Just call him back.
Yeah, I'm going to show it you back.
Silly.
Right, that's what she said. I never do in that call, yo. And then tone of voice changed too, because we know.
No, so ring get a girl and I say, but what the way you can't even talk up to your friend and me? I want to your mouth. I want your tongue today. Oh, you talk to your friend and you can't barely talk to you. Well, like you take me for eat that. Hey, boy, you soon.
You see, one of my brethren them get messed up the wickedest way. Come and tell me about, oh, you can't code it, you can't change up the name. If I Pauline, you can't say Paul, or if I, you know, you can't put them all artist name, my father. What do you get catch wicked car? I text the girl, start text him, and then put the girl name as my father. And him girl
yeah, no, we hear about that. We hear make that mistake there.
Holy man.
Boy.
Well, on the car. Oh, Footy did have, route. I tell you, Footy did give us some good mix up on the search in the car thing. But just I tell you the levels where woman take it when them are going to catch you. If a woman set up her mind to catch you, if you are given or whatever. When it comes to details, that's why I tell man all the while, if you are born to bring the woman go your yard, you can't beat woman. It does not disrespect that anyway. I don't think so out of principle. Don't give bun, but if you have to give bun, don't bring the girl go your yard where you live with your woman. Me not support that.
Why them people on Facebook call me cougar?
No, I mean, I support woman and woman the same thing too. If you don't give bun, but if you have to give bun, don't bring the man go your yard where you live. Hey, Nico, some woman straight with that though, you know.
Yeah, the bun.
Tell you, you know. Some woman said, no, if you want me, you can't come to my yard. I'm not going to your yard. If you can't make a good hotel, I want to you. Them tell you that straight. Them nah bring you go for them yard and whatever. And this and that. Them want a good hotel and be a thing.
Me agree with IrieJam fancy girls. Some more you can't tell the truth. So when you come in and say, you come.
No, but a woman, hold on, Nico. A woman bad pan that, you know.
No, let me tell it to your face.
Hold on, Nico, hold on.
I want to believe.
A woman would there with a bonner man, you know. And you call her and say, yo, how are you there? What's that? And you know she respond and say, my own can't take man, a man, me there catch me and a man and I take you. That's the time that you do for two, you know.
And you the pan. Hey, stop ramping me, man.
Hey, stop ramping me, man. You keep up too much foolishness and whatever, this and that. But I don't know where you call me for, then I must man, me I take where you bad before.
And the man sit down right beside her. And the man, I did enough for you, you know.
And I saw she go on, you know. She don't go on like she want at top my head.
No, I tell you, boy, the games we play.
I tell you, the psychology of the thing is deep. Anyway, give us some call. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Let me ask you something. If you dash your belly a crime?
Oh, Lord. Well,
I remember telling them once some little dirty nasty girl would sit down and do that for my name. They need to come off of my name. If I could have called name for radio Raga, I call the whole of them name. Because me had the mama feet and them call me cemetery Raga. I no response. Me had the mama feet and me can call them, but you know, allow it on the radio Raga. And enough of them did the Raga. Enough of them did it. So they need to come off of my name. Them left off of that now Raga and now them start talk, but me a jolly with lolly.
But hold on. Yeah, the mama for dash your belly for
Yes,
true.
man, I'm not crying about it. For all the dirty married man we living at the lane, Raga. He needs to come off of my name to Raga, because we done him pan this.
All right, well, hold on. When you say, hold on, man. When you say you're the mama for dash your belly, what you mean? You dash your enough belly?
Yes, Raga, I'm not shame about you, I'm not crying. Them call me cemetery to Raga, the same Chester draw girl this.
Okay. Them call you cemetery to because you dash your enough belly.
Yes, I'm not shame, I can't enough of we there.
No, but let me ask you something then. Like, you have any idea about how much belly you dash?
You know, but no, me dash 5 for the married man, the little dirty, nasty boy we living at the lane. We need a life.
So you dash your 5 belly for the married man?
Yes.
And but you have any idea about how many belly you dash since you dash your belly?
Raga, quite a few of them. Quite a few of them. I mean,
Like Raga, you talk to my work, you don't know something keep it real.
What happened to you, man?
Just give me like a ballpark figure, man. A ballpark figure. Like, just give me like a ballpark figure. Like, if it gets, like, estimate.
Raga.
Eh?
Raga?
No, just give me a ballpark figure.
Sure. Raga, we don't need to go into that, Raga.
No, when I say
Raga, I have one son. I have one son, Raga.
Me know you have one.
I've carried that the picnic the Raga. Everybody know that too. The man did have to lock me up in the house, Raga, and stop give me money. Stop give me things, Raga. That's me not have no more money. Me not have no access to money. No money to do not, Raga. Not at all.
So you end up carry that one day.
So me end up carry that one day. A big boy now.
All right. So what me I say is, if you can't remember the number, that's fine. But me just say from here, dash your belly about how much you dash. But guess, man. Just guess. Just guess. Eh?
Raga, the last one over there was to the married man, Raga. That's where I talk about, Raga. That's the topic where we define, Raga. But you need to come out and
ask you. Well on. So you dash a 5 for the married man, but you dash for other one too, don't you?
Yes, man.
So what were they? Not like the 15 region or something?
Raga, I make you put it there, sir.
Oh, about 10.
I make you put it there, sir, Raga.
About 10 then.
I 10 you put it. Whatever.
Yeah, me I say. You know that region.
Them know me well, Raga. Me at the cemetery. Me at cemetery. What I will leave them down there, Raga. Them need to come off of my name, Raga. Me not see the drunk of them. And big up Joseph, me black and white frock where make me look like zebra. Can me look good enough, sure. They need to come off of my name, Raga. Can me not see them.
All right. Well, I know. So them the point.
Raga, ask Ruthie if you take a girl, man. If the girl have nothing good to say about her, she not go say the woman, the man tell her, say, oh, you do this and oh, you do that to him, don't?
Right, yeah.
Okay. So they need to come off of my name and talk about me at Jollywood, Lally. Jollywood one, me ever want. Hey, tell this little married man, we done him, pam, you showing a Raga. The day when him tap me on my leg, Raga. When him hide underneath the bed and take off the pants, Raga. And when him take off the neck, something, Raga. Me will tell you which part him did have it, Raga. So don't make me have it done him pan your show in a Raga. I need to come off of me and come in and see him and tell him to stop call up my phone, Raga. If him not see me block him number from my phone, me done with him. So me don't like to know where woman there when him call my phone, me done with him, Chester draw thing, done with fridge top, done with. Me know I'm not with him, Raga. Yeah, done.
I him did put on the Chester draw on you?
Yes, man, I him see him one.
Oh, then me never know say you
done with him now, Raga. Me done.
But look on the last call. Well, on the last call you give about you and him only did that go on good same way. The last call you say you and him did that go on good. And him take out the top Chester jar and put your head in there and give a proper sort out on the Chester jar.
Fridge top to Raga. But me done, Raga. You know, you make up your mind and say you done with that thing. Me done with him, Raga. And if you stop calling my phone, the last call him call at 10:20 something this morning. Him need to come off on my phone. Me done with him, Raga.
So them a call the cemetery to them know say you dash a 5 belly female and dash a all
a long time them a call me so Raga, but them need to know them that the new one say me a jolly with the lally. I want say me a jolly.
That you ever swipe him, you ever swipe him.
No, Raga.
Okay, you never swipe him.
So we done him pan this, Raga.
So is a whole crew of Jews that a call up your name and a ring up your name about this?
Them come not deal with them, Raga. Need to come off of my name, come not see them. Me they work a look money, Raga. Me not respond to them, me not see them, Raga. Need to come off of my name, the drunk of them. Wanna come off of my name, crow bait.
All right, let me ask you something. Well, I talk to Uncle Raga, you know. What me answer? So what you ever do for ensure, say, you know, even though, because your girl, you love your Sato, I realize that and thing. But what me answer? What you ever do now for ensure, say, you don't reach the next point? Well, say, no. So you don't reach a point where you have to dash your belly again. What you going to do for that?
Huh?
What you gonna do for make sure say you not have to dash with no more belly?
No, man, me done with dash your belly now, Raga. Me done.
You done with, you not do it.
Right, hear me now. Only way me catch a belly is if me and him go back, Raga. Cause him good like that. I just say, who there? Me up there.
Oh, you're up there.
I just say, who
okay.
there? As you look for me breed, Raga, me's like that.
Okay, then so when I ask you now, what you going to do to make sure say you not
Raga,
breed again? Or if you
Raga, it nah go happen, can't happen again. You hear me?
No, but
don't do them something, man. Me have too much.
Hold on, man. Yo, hold on, man.
Yeah.
Listen to me, man. Me I talk to you, man. Listen to me. What me I say?
I'm
you
not
do
ashamed.
something for make you do something for make sure say it nah go happen again.
Raga.
Yo, me want you talk to me straight. You go run. Me say if you do something for make sure say it nah happen again.
Raga, me nah do not know, Raga.
But when you start do something though, you can't breathe again.
Of course.
So me I ask you, what you do, what have you put in place to make sure say you not end up having dash your belly again? Your boss. All right, give Root your number so we can call you back at different time. Give Root your number. Root, take her number. Why, oh boy. You are all the show warms up today, man. All the show warms up today. Oh, poor Jesus. Give me an next caller. Hello.
I can hear Raga.
Boy, the show did that, you know. The show did that already. I watch you, man. The show I got pepper, you know. Can we say 5 pepper mix up? Scotch man it in the building. Scotchy! Seki, what you say?
There, Raga.
Well, I hear too much echo, you say, Jeremy. Yeah. So what? Well, Ruth, call back Seki. Make Ruth call you back right now. Ruth, call back Seki right now. Given that she has had so many abortions and she dashes so much belly, as we say in a ghetto and thing, and it means that she don't want to have any children. Simply put, right? So if she don't want to have any children, perhaps she should take some steps to make sure she not breed. So we just still want to ask her, just to save herself the stress too, and thing, because this whole abortion thing upon the body, it can be, kind of turbulent, and so forth, and all kind of moral issues involved when we're not getting but, if you don't want picnic, if you don't want breed, there's some things you can do so that you don't breed. And if you're not breed, then clearly you're not end up having to go dash on the belly and thing. Always stay rooted. Seki?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. Still I hear the echo, but what? Anyway, talk up to me.
Yeah, what me I say to Raga, I say Bunning, you have to get born, but if I get born, must have a reason. Because you have some woman that born for all duck bread and pum yam. Tell me if that's right.
You have woman a born for duck bread and pum yam?
Yes, Raga.
Well, I just Tambourine! Second, when you say some girl I dash out the sitting for duck bread and pum yam.
Yes, Raga.
No, well, second, no, that sounds sticky. That sounds sticky for real.
This woman, Raga, your husband are foreign and Raga, anytime your husband send the money come, she take him big and buy big cash pot. And when you ready, Raga, they don't man do farming and they go for the and a beer pum yam. You have to take the tire and live in the out and then carry on the pum yam. Then he
have to take the what? He have to take the what?
Tire yam, Raga. In the out.
What kind of yam?
It's tire yam, Raga. It's straight tire yam. You know tire yam?
Tire yam. So that's a better yam than the pum yam?
Yes, Raga. It's straight.
The straight one?
Man, send on the tire yam pan her, you know?
Yeah.
And give her the pum yam to carry home.
Okay, me understand the code. Yes. Sorry, me never did that catch up a while ago. Me understand the code. Yeah.
The book of a tear off and the man can't say title for the book.
What a second, what you say a while ago?
When your husband come, Raga, the book of a tear off and the man can't say title, and the ask money to leave them fall up.
Alright, so let me follow you now, Seki. You say, this a careless woman here.
Yes, Raga.
She dash out the sitting and take the man tie.
Yes, Raga.
And then go home with pum yam. And when the man send money come here, she use all her money buy cash pot.
Yes, Raga.
And when the man come from foreign, Seki, you said, a book cover tear off.
Yes, Raga.
And enough of the page in our book, then
Hold
just
up.
mash up,
Right.
and bore up.
The man can't find the title for the book.
And the man cannot find the title for the book.
Right. Yes, Raga.
And she go like she act girl like she somebody
Right,
and thing,
Raga.
and nobody and our man can't find the title for
Yes,
your book.
Raga.
Anyway, go and talk the
Raga, me
second.
like when time like woman rock born no Raga, cause like there's some man rock born and when they go home, they get kids because they go home with a lipstick in their teeth and pan them out.
Some man I get bun and gone with a lipstick on and thing. Second, well on the right, the second, well I break, and when we come back, you tell me the things, am here?
Raga.
Coming right back to second back, coming we are going down the place right now. Some man I get bun and when they come home, them have all kind of things in them teeth, Seki say. A lipstick upon them teeth. And given what is occurring lately in the country, I'm sure there might be other things in men's teeth when they come home. We're soon forward.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, you know. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our setting, and of course, you don't know it's our topic there, and we are talking about how you catch people when they get born, how you catch people when they get born, and thing, and we have second back coming. We're resident queen of code online right now, and she tell about a situation where some woman a dash it out and I get born for duck bread and pum pum yam and thing, and somehow don't know what is duck bread. Duck bread is a very famous bread in Jamaica. It's kind of oval in shape. It always have some design on top of it, but it's like hard-dough bread and sitting and thing. So Seki say you have this woman here, dash out the sitting for pum pum yam, you know, for one man. And when a real man come back from foreign and sitting, him I realize say our exercise book now no cover, our thing, our exercise book tear off, and the leaf them stay bad and be sitting. So Seki day I give it 100 and things. So back to Seki right now. Yes, Seki.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
Me have a friend, Raga, and she married to a man. I mean, when the man is 40, the man is still virgin, you know. Before the man is 40-year-old virgin, he married to Raga.
The man is 40 and still virgin.
Yes,
Seki,
Raga,
you sure
when you're 40, he married to the girl.
Uh-huh.
And Raga, he man mean tell me talking in teeth.
It means until what?
When the talk Raga talk in teeth, what I mean out me mouth.
All right.
So at night time now, Raga, when time the woman, he no sleep with the man, Raga, when the woman go up on the room door, he tell the man, go to bed, after you want done me. Raga, the woman come to me.
That way, even after I'm married, him not do nothing with her.
No, you do Raga, I night, when he married and go, Mr. Night, that the short sleeve tear off.
When you say what?
When he married and go home night, Raga, that night the short sleeve tear off.
And that night, the shirt sleeve, the shirt sleeve. Okay, the shirt sleeve, the short sleeve tear off at that time. So he did do something that night then.
Yes, Raga.
And I saw she knows that the first time he might do something.
Yes, I just a virgin, Raga.
40-year-old and him a virgin.
Raga, that's virgin. This is what this man, I mean the man mean Raga. You know, I use it if the Mozilla.
Him don't want to use him piece of Mozilla.
Raga, make it on the rat. If I make sure Raga, I rose that near me.
Tambourine. Okay, yeah, one second, go attack, yeah.
So, when they, at night time, Raga and go in bed and go lock up in the house, in the room. And when sometimes the man will go down knock on the door, he run out Raga. Go to bed, I don't want to come down me. So the man come to me for advice, Raga. I'm asking him to give her. Right now, 4 years, Raga, and I get born and he don't know.
4 years now, him a get born. Him no want to give him a work and a 4 years now shop.
Right.
So Seki.
Keep it warm, because you have some black belly rat out there, they love big hole and they make this night.
What you say, Seki? What you say, what?
Any man, as a first time, Raga, now want to keep it warm. You have some black belly rat out there, they love big hole and they make this night. I mean, I make no rat me, not me wall, not me up.
All right.
Right.
So you say any man out there will have fireside and don't want to keep the fireside warm.
Yes, Raga.
You better know say you have some black belly rat out there.
Yeah.
I go in the fireside and warm it up. No.
Because for the cold, at his cold Raga, there is the golden night and make nest.
Oh, okay. From the ashes cold, the black belly rat, them with the golden night and make nest.
Raga. And a 4 year no Raga, and I get banana and you know.
Then we Seki then who share bunny. A different man share bunny with that one.
One man. And because I say any man come out here door, we run him and say, guard your bed. I don't know what to do. I rebuke him to Raga. I must rebuke him like in a spirit. And so one night he run to Raga in time, and I had 19 and he said, Jesus! Me say, what that? He said, he said, talk to me, God.
Oh, well, so she did that dash it out one time when it near and him did that.
In the room, Raga, and she said, Jesus, the car of God, you know.
Well, what him did that? What him did that?
In the room, Raga.
In a theme room, and she sneak in the man and I do the things with the bonner man.
Yes, Raga, and anointed.
And when she under the anointed, and that a coach, she under the anointed, and the anointed reach her, she said, Jesus! And then the man said, what that?
What that is? He said, I got to talk to Raga.
She talk to her, God.
Yes,
all right, you know. All right.
I said, if we do them.
I said, if we do. So, Seki, I know, you know, what you say, if a man just now start out him, woman, I can't ship it in.
Raga must have reason. Me give on Raga, my reason, me give on, because me husband didn't treat me good. And if phone them good, me won't burn him, you know.
Okay.
Would I work with the phone? You see it? But the phone.
What you say about the phone?
The phone no good, Raga. My husband phone never good. It can't no signal for me. Circuit board mash up.
All right, people, a code Seki I use again. So you say your husband phone never good, it never have no signal on it, no?
Raga, the circuit board don't now work.
Your circuit board for your husband phone never did that work.
You're right, Raga, it no signal. You understand me?
It now pick up no signal. That's why it did have to go use a next man phone when it pick up signal, right?
Yeah.
Eh? Okay. So if a man have a so wait, then but your husband did have a good phone, it just now pick up.
Yeah, right, good for Raga, but you know use. It make no sense.
It no use. Your husband phone couldn't make no call. It couldn't make no call.
Phone Raga and the board blow. So what the hell that I used to me?
What you say? Your husband phone was a flashlight phone and the flashlight bulb blow. Well, I just say, you kill me. Tambourine.
Me like to tell you, you have to look where you go. You understand me? Me like when you look where you go, you like to hear what's a light for your phone.
Yes, man. Right. Light for the phone and look where you go and think. Right, but Seki.
Yes, Raga.
Seki. Your situation when you did burn your husband, some people that hear that and say, no, Seki, you move around. Because remember, say you burn your husband with your husband boss. Eh?
You're lucky. It is never for Raga, you're lucky. Or you prefer the controller.
No, but some people that say, why you going to burn your husband with your husband boss? Some people that say, why you never going to get an next outer man? Why you burn your husband with your husband boss?
Right now, me don't be boss here.
Well, no, but one point you must point out, though, which with a lot of people. One of the reasons why you burn your husband with your husband boss is that when your husband did burn you at that time, him did tell us that him did they buy him boss.
Yes, that's right.
That's how it go.
You understand me?
Right. So when him did tell you say him they over him boss and a burn you, pity him no know say you did really over him boss.
Right.
And people, the wickedest thing in that burn I was Seki did give our gentleman back in the day before him phone, when him phone did that work, and thing is that Seki tell the boss when to give her husband there in order to sort out the burning thing properly. Mad.
Raga, I'm when the boss come around the house, Raga, me cut the boss and say, every time you get my husband gone out, I must have a woman who have an area there.
Okay, so you...
I can tell you. You understand me? And they tell you, no, say, pity don't know, say, I'm the boss, I flex, you see it?
Oh, so when you and the boss are sort out, and your husband did burn you and I tell you, say, him out with the boss, when the boss come round, you start cuss the boss and I say, you know, you're not with the boss because every minute him gone out with your husband, like say, you and him in a something or whatever, so you get upset and think. That the time your husband no know, say I carried you a job because you and the boss are sort out and just work it.
He can't know nothing, Raga, because me, if me go to night, Raga, me Me not care about nothing coming out of Kingston, because me take water for cocoa leaf and tidy.
What you say what?
Water for cocoa leaf, because most of the farmers, me use water for cocoa leaf and tidy.
So when you say, when you...
When I get born.
Oh, so when you go out and born,
yeah.
even when you just step in, him can't find no evidence for you, if you know, because if it come down to it, when you done born, even if you don't have no way for beard, you will take water off a cocoa leaf. Oh, Lord, second. Am I idiot? Oh, no evidence.
Right.
Second, what kind of other ways where like a woman can cover up her tracks? What she can do? Like what a woman?
Raga, you see, in time I give born Raga, that morning me bex because me start sing, me hold it till me can walk out Christian they kill me.
What that go?
Holy Raga, me holy. Me sing some Christian song that night the back to the morning. Oh. And me eat a bex. You understand me?
Yeah.
So when I see me now sing Bex in can't say nothing to me, Raga. I think me come out of house Bex and me coming back Bex in can't say nothing to me. And me make sure I love him belly, Raga. So I mean, and I love chicken, so me make sure I food could give me king eat because I love him belly. So
you love him belly?
When you see food, Raga, in our time,
when him see food, him not think and not pay attention
no,
to when
Raga,
he see
what.
Oh, and anytime you know say you're going to give him bun, you just start vex with man and sit there.
Right.
And just all sing up some song and all. And do it
like Christian.
Like you're Christian from the night before, no?
Me begin at church now, Raga, so I church is come covered. But me not care now if you don't find out no kind of treat me good. Me only care about the church because my people in the church find out. You understand me? So one day one woman talks to me I give bun. I took coin in my pen. And Raga, I go basically with 3 or 4 rope or 3 rope. And I because she have 3 colors here pen and me have 2. And a costume and a...
Hold on. She talk about you a get born because she knows say you have 2 bull in her pen, right?
And she have 3
but you know say she have 3 bull in her pen, don't it? So what you do?
One of him husband, one of her husband, brother, nephew, you remember where I go? The nephew, yes, the husband nephew, they sort her out. And
the pastor and the pastor sort her out and her husband nephew sort her out.
And one of the daughter man has sort her out to Raga. 3 men in the pen, plus the husband.
Plus the husband?
Yes, Raga. I go Sister Raga, me say me go me say 2 bull them they me pen in them cast me pen small, but she has 3 and say Raga and took out the pen begin can't catch them so me come cast them.
She a look on here look a small pen with your 2 bull, but the way fear pen big with them, the 4 bull there in there, she can't even catch them none and just run up and down in it.
And Raga, when I done course and it was bomb, me said 2 of them adapt at the same time.
The 2 of them end up a doctor when you don't solve them properly, don't
you? Raga, the time my husband run at about top and tail up on her, that's true, Raga, me a cry like a line, and said, no, don't line, not go to the time, Raga, and I learn Raga. This time I come in there and you want to see me, and say, oh, me a walk, let me say that, and I line, because traffic through, and me a walk on the 2, said that road, come on, I reach home, me not come yet, me then go to the bar, you understand me?
You didn't go to, you didn't go to the bar so you get a good fix up, no? You didn't get a good fix, what you say, what?
Well, can, Raga.
You did the port did well, can't port. So you did a walk and a walk 2 sides on the road because you did under one good fix up the man.
And then she got talk no Raga. So Miss Bruno and give me husband chicken and say and tell me doing what the woman say. And he run like the chicken no Raga. And I tell lie for me and Miss go eat Raga of course after 2 human and the husband.
Then a second, you say one time when she got infant prayer thing. You say when I tell you a ball and I say a lie that time I did true.
Me not want it, Raga.
You not want it?
And my husband can't know because sometimes porting up, sometimes a leg on, that name no Raga.
What name? Leg on, with that? Okay, where you say sometimes your husband get leggings. Okay. Seki, oh God man, Seki, you give your husband leggings?
You mean Raga? Sometimes if you feel like I have me in the Raga, can't I talk about?
Well, you give your husband leggings and him thinks you're effing him there. He thinks he reach a promised land, don't it?
But what Raga. I say, hello, you know, Raga, everything done, so, you know, you put in an hour in there.
Okay. So he can't really tell the difference, though, because as he open the front door, I hit that film.
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
Raga.
Eh?
If I should tell me name, you know, come and say, have you used that church hard, no, you know?
What that?
You know what you give me now? Have you used that church hard, no, brother?
Them I use your name at church, them I use to take you back. What am I done here at church?
No, Raga, they in the spirit, I use my name.
Them in a spirit and I use it. When I get in a real spirit, them I say, come back, come in. Them I,
Then I use the hard.
Okay. Why second me know every...
She don't call me Seco. Say you call me Seco, cause she don't know me na Raga. Me na did line a bank Monday. He say she want go cause she know why Seco call her and she not here. So the woman say, Seco, yeah man, one woman call Raga near Seco. And me say to call she up to make Seco, make Raga call her Seco. Does that mean a Raga?
But Seki, you're not ugly, make them go. But I mean...
Raga call me Seco. You remember me Seco and she had the C mama.
The C...
Raga don't pay not a mind. Me say anything she wants to she say come in.
No man, I mistake she make with the name, man. I mistake she make with the name.
Come here, right, what the Raga say, so you some woman put on some clothes and all them look. You can't want all and pull up, we call them.
All and pull up,
yes,
yeah, all and pull up.
Because they never stay good yet.
Never stay good yet.
They can't stay good. All and pull up, and anything you put on the road, me look good. You see it?
You see it, you see it.
You're a bad man, and I must say, you know, look good, so your mind dirty and corrupt. You lie.
Right.
I'm going to cut me pork, you know. The man come and say, me pork ready, you're lucky.
All right.
I'm pork.
Yeah.
But cut me pork, yeah, Raga.
Yeah, but you're not real Rasta. You just do your ear in that style, man.
I do your time, man, I can't buy home.
Second, take care here.
Yes, Raga, I'm big up Alisa Brooks.
Alisa Brooks.
Nadine, then they of course, me Nasha and Nadine, my daughter.
Nasha, Nadine, and Alisa Brooks. Large them up and thing here.
Yes, all right, Raga.
All right, second back coming. We love you. Second, the queen of code. Can't live out second, a sample. That's when second talk everything a punchline. Man, sick of that. Now tell you, man. Second back coming, everything on another level. You see it? No, sir. Seki said the woman, some woman a dash it out, some woman for know them a give bun for car, them a give bun for duck bread and pum pum. Yeah, mad. Give me a next caller. Good afternoon. Hello,
Raga, calling from Queens, New York.
Queens, New York. What's up?
Nothing, Mr. Raga.
Eh.
Piece of Mixup here there.
Box me in my class.
About 2.5 years ago.
Eh.
My baby father lived out upstate New York, and
yeah.
you know, I never baby seen it. Him tell myself to come up there.
Yeah.
Him tell me I must come up there, come live. So I go up there, go live. And Mr. Raga, some man easily forget catch, because what them do is them come off of them, as you said, them change.
Yeah.
My nephew married it the Sunday. I mean, I don't know nobody up there to do my daughter here, because I have a little daughter different from fiend daughter.
Yeah.
And him introduced me to this girl, and me there on and him carry some money come give me say, Raga, and they pan this lovely thing, and on a fiend style lot.
Right.
Mr. Oh, you move so? Nothing, Mr. All right. Do hear everything, a big storm at my little wind breeze in the night, and I can't hear nothing, but normally every night him call me, Mr. Raga, me asleep, and look like say when him a doing salt out. Every style when him feel it, me jump up out of my sleep and call him.
Well on. We say when you up there, me always hear woman say them things, and I will put woman me say them things, and I say nothing no go so. But you say when your man out there sort out the next woman, you a feel it.
It come like me, I feel it, come me touch and me turning on me sleep and cold sweater wash me, and I was November.
And then you call him and then what no?
I call him and in the answer, normally in answer, him call me back. I'm call him again and the answer, me said, the devil take me out of my bed, cause nobody but the devil. And a 5 minutes I must pass. Him there, me there.
Yeah.
I drive over there. When I drive over there, I knock the door with the car key, so my friend open the door. I flying everybody in there asleep. When the friend wake up and really see say he won't me do and let me fly in there. Isn't it? I was at ends, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm flying there. I move to the right, cause the left, cause the bedroom there to the left. And like the friend I backed me up, I'm going to use my car key and give the friend about 7 stabbing in chest.
With the car key?
With the car key, when I look at him, that have on him in underpants. And a girl that's on the bed, and my TV, them are watch. Come, they just move and we go buy some flat screen TV and thing, and a big TV. I've been, you know, them long time, regular big TV.
Yeah, the big fat one, them, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, and him run out of the room. Run out of the room and introduce myself, but him a grab me, can know me dangerous. And me leave him off, I'm going to introduce myself to the girl.
And when you say you introduce yourself to her, or you introduce yourself to her?
Introduce her, hi, I am so-and-so wife. And that's what, me say, yeah. You understand me? I'm start questioning her in a way. I got him running at the kitchen, I'm going there upon him now, I'm going there upon him, he run out.
Yeah.
You understand me in a way?
Right.
I go to Obama, I start questioning her, and when I question her, I ask her, I say, me give money, she said, no. I say, oh, because they're my Yankee, you know. $25 so them want to the ear. I go home, my father don't know me left out of the house. The Sunday we get up and we got the wedding and come back at the wedding. I'm come back, and when I come back now, I leave my father because I say, no, I can't start the border roll. See, Monday when my kids them gone at school, I was going over the ends, you know, I say, I walk with a scissors, a hammer, and a knife.
Well, stop there. You go over there with what?
A scissors, a hammer, and a knife. I go with the scissors and a knife to cut any, because I have washing machine dryer. I have a big 55-inch TV. But as I said, to move when I knew it, we buy new TV and just leave them the 2 TV on the end. So rather, I go there and I set past him and him friend them on the back part. The back door and come in, I'm start tap down me curtain and me anything was in there when me did leave, because before me get the apartment, me that stayed over there because I was in my original house, you know. Yeah man.
Finish it, finish it in our next 2 minutes. Here in our next 2 minutes before the break.
You see, me and him a fight, me and him girt him, because when I pack them the things that him start lick down thing, I'm a girt him again, I'm a say, Raga, straight in his face, me stab him. Straight in his face, can in the front. If you want to kill me and down. I'm a say,
Well on. Then, you come for stab him in his face? You come for stab?
Then this time with the scissors, and me have the knife. Yeah. And him not know after me have the knife. So me in my face, so in my face, and Raga, me not like me start, remember, come here to listen to the girl, well relaxed. I'm just knowing that girl some good start out. Because you know the wickedest thing, Raga, all of the good start out, them me show him. Me teach him it.
Are you teach him how to get good start out?
Me teach him how to do the good start, because I just remember Raga, the boy couldn't 7 or 11.
Okay. Him couldn't 7, so you teach him how to get good work, and him born the same day, they give the girl a good work.
Raga, the girl them start take a set no upon him, Raga, me say. Remember when me stab him, I say, Raga, for about 3 days, I don't hear from him, but I can't sleep, because I have to do my door. But the 4th day, the man come and say, my girl, me come on my yard, you know. I come on my yard, you know. I say, all right, come. When the man come, one piece of cow ball in a home, I can't let him. Yes. But
so after you stab him in the face and come back and I beg and I say him, no, why you left him?
Yes, because me, when him come, I say yes. When him call me, I say yes, why you come, because I need to know where this going. I need to know him for move on or what. And him say, oh, I'm the outside of my yard, and him come in and let him in. Him having key, you know, but just let him in. Come and put chair, ask me something behind the door like chair can save me.
So how it end up quick? How it end up?
That's the man ball and everything, and Raga shot like the man breed me, and I have a nice, pretty daughter and first child.
For real?
Pretty.
But well, man, you're a bad girl, man. You're a hot-head, man. You're hot scum.
Raga, I'm not exaggerate. I mean him, name.
You see?
Bad. If people know who this is, them can't say, yeah, man. Are all tyrants.
That are you?
That are me.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah,
Well, more love to you and thing, but...
They used to call me terrorist.
Yo, me I tell you the truth, you know, me couldn't manage you, you know. Me couldn't manage you.
Okay.
Because one I would have killed one another, one I we are going to kill the other one.
Well, you know, the wickedest thing, Raga,
Yeah.
is a serious youth.
I want them to... I'm going to roll them with it.
Raga, after that, I find out the boy my next girl.
Well on. We could just take a break and when we come back and finish up here.
Yes.
All right.
A mix up and blender time.
I'm want to call and talk up the thing them.
Yeah man. Welcome back up in anything. I'm back to a call here from New York. So what you saying? Did I have another woman and thing and whatever that did end up in a mix up too?
For the tree, there was me not see him and the woman yard in there.
Oh, saying.
I mean, I know that. Me check them over there because what means now, I don't really want to go over there because I know my son and face and she's a man where I do things. When I want him friend them, I say, why, it look like say my swipe me because he can't do certain things, you know? So
Yeah.
Back and now go from the end because I get one from the end. That time.
Oh, the man, say you can't forward over there again because you move low.
Forward. So
yeah.
I fly down in the December for about 3.5 weeks, and when I come back up in January, like I am and the girl straight. I mean, I know about Raga, I know.
Hold on, quick. Tell me, I'm going to work some other calls. So how that one they end up?
Oh, it end up in getting a trouble, and when I go in at the end, I look at the police, them dig up the place, and when I look, I find girl picture, I go a quote of the girl, and I say, Raga, I know me still a look for her.
So, but I don't fear for her. What you look for her for?
She can't. Me get her number. And when me get her number, me and her talk, she start woman to woman. And okay, woman to woman, me and her read the Raga, the girl start get bright. Yeah, time I'll get her some trouble and she will send money come to me for put on commission, but the Raga, the girl get bright. Bright. That's what tell her say.
Yo, she start hype away. Well on. She start hype away and I go on like say she.
Yes, when I tell me to like my girl knows that the money there, I know me, I want to be the girl that go like she want when him come, me up on the right and she up on the left.
Oh, see, and are you name why?
Thing, rather, me get to find out right now, she clear off a man, a straight woman, and do it, look like she don't want to do the thing then.
With you?
She don't mind. Yes, between the two away.
Okay, she didn't want a threesome.
It looks so because now me as a straight woman, she'll go with.
Oh, Zin. All right, let's say a word, you know, why you go and hold it and just go and, you know.
Big up, them can't stop you. Big up,
everything is, yeah, man, everything is everything, man. I just go and hold it up there in the Queens and New York. We don't know, there are thousands of listeners up there in the tri-state area. Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, New Jersey, Patterson, you know, them place there and thing. We know so the thing lock, stock, and seal up there. So large up on yourself and protection and just watch your head back straight, yeah?
Big up, brother.
Blessings. Man, okay, give me a next caller. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings, Raga. Big up yourself, you don't know. Raga, me have a mix-up figure you.
Yeah.
Raga, me did live in Florida and I'm the this firefighter youth. Nice youth and a nice black youth, you know. And you don't know up to the girl them go crazy over a black firefighter.
Yeah.
When in there they are going good and everything, and I have a baby female and everything are going good and baby start out and everything good. One day, you know, but they have to you before him, you know, but one day, you know, go fishing, when the youth them go fishing and I come back. I say, Raga, and the way coming back, he gets a call and it's like he just gets ignorant after that. So I say, what happened to you, babe? And I say, nothing to tell. And I say, who just called you? And him couldn't tell me. So I say, let me see your phone. He wouldn't give me the phone.
No, talking iPhone here, yeah, move the phone from your mouth. Talking iPhone, yeah.
Yeah, it got me said me and him can I get in a little fight and him drop me off and gone with Fiend car because I mean usually drive up and down Fiend car.
Right.
So I tell you, I feel a vibe, then I call him and him now answer me, I call him for about 4 hours on and off, you know?
Yeah.
So one man just said, go over in yard. So I said, me not drive the car go over there, you know. So they have a bicycle, me usually exercise and them have a ditch between a back road behind my house. We lead back to Film Avenue, you know.
Yeah.
So, no one can never really in the ditch, you know, I go over the ditch and go through. Go over
Yeah.
in the yard. When I go over there, I see room well tidy up. And I always have to go over and tidy up, you know. Room well tidy up, everything sort out, room smell nice, everything. I say, I'm not going. Because this look like something I go on.
Yeah.
All me did, I call him, see with no answer. But then in the 15 minutes, we hear him uncle come in and I call him, you know?
Yeah.
So him no answer. So after that, no, him that me here pull in. I hear him down from uncle. So him uncle, I say, I'm in here. So me hear my introduce one girl to the uncle. So me make my way in the closet now. I mean in the closet. So him bring in the girl and put the girl in the room and say get comfortable and I ask her, what you want to listen to? You want to listen to some souls or you want to watch some movie? I mean, then I said, you know, Raga. Raga, the uncle call him and then go back out to the uncle and the girl's phone ring.
Yeah.
The girl say hello. So then she say, yeah, girl, remember that firefighter I used to be 2 years ago? I'm with him now, you know, and girl, you just don't know. I know I'm going to have me some fun. So I'm say, yes, Lord. So she and the girl start talking about some school thing like what I want. So she sound like she was a school teacher.
Yeah.
Rather than come back in here, I'm going to have to get rid of that phone, you know, because we're down to business and this and that. And like him, I help her undress. Like him, I say, let me take off your shoes for you and Ray. So them them up once, so me couldn't hear nothing, you know, Raga. So me, you know, he's about to the closet now and I try to peep, Raga. After a while, about 10 minutes, you know, I try to peep to say, I want to go on. Because I say, I don't want to go bust out of the closet and nothing now go on. And then say, I just him friend or whatever and Ray, whatever. Rather than I bust out of the closet, my girl naked a long time. Nothing.
Well on. So you never peep first.
Maybe I try to peep, but one space eater, you know them little thing where them plug in to just eat up one room?
Yeah.
In the closet. So when me kick it now, me swear to in here, so I never want him come looking at the closet to me, so I just make my entrance.
Well on, talking iPhone, yeah.
Yeah, me just make the entrance. So I come out, I say, I want to go on there, so I turn on the lights. But they there Jamaica like the January, so the February I come back, you know, and they get the Valentine, this and that, champagne and glass and Ray, Raga, chocolate, excitement. If they still upon him just a Raga, I say, I mash up the back upon the girl. And have the top part of the back in and me and him and one piece of fight and one bookshelf, the kind of there at the door, so my brace, it go down to the other side of the wall, and so my brace on the door, so the uncle don't come in, you know. And the girl that try to put on her clothes and I have it, because I'm not stronger than me, because I tell her I'm a fluffy bad.
You're fluffy bad. Yeah, you're drunk.
Yeah, no, I have him right on, I tell her saying the upper ones, and them tickle his chin and I ring it around him, making him.
No, well, I'm talking iPhone, darling, talking iPhone.
I'm not escape, brother. I'm not telling you, say, no. Me and him, they are toughed up and she did it, and like, she said, I don't forget she involved. I say, what you say? Brother, I just push him way over and grab her, and I said, the uncle go broke in and come in and get him.
People, a ditch, she said ditch. She said, take the ditch. Yeah, take the ditch.
Yeah, man, never take the ditch, feet. I don't want to end up catch me in a 5-4, I don't know the surround.
Okay, yeah.
9-1, it done gone through.
Right.
I may tell you, say, the girl I'm crazy over him, I be a problem, me and him used to, you know, with him and woman, but I never really catch him with nobody yet, I say, you know.
Hold on. But let me ask you something, because some of the time, some we can't really understand. If you catch your man with a woman, right? I remember saying that woman, they don't even know about you. And make you assume that the man don't even tell her, say, have somebody. Exactly. Why you go brought the back clean her head?
You know why I go? I did a deal with him because I know that him carry there, him go fair, him everything. But if you in a situation like that, you ever go like you know.
Cut out that word. You can't say that S word there, yeah?
Sorry.
Cut out that word, yeah. So she has said she don't want being back. But she never did that down you. She never did that cuss you. Hello? Oh, look like we lost the call. Man, I never don't talk to her. But when I say, it not sound to me like the girl that cuss her. But I always want to know why a woman see her man with her next woman and thing. On the instinct is to just beat that girl, beat up that girl. And interestingly, most men don't stay so. And I want to know, I just want to know what's the difference. Most man, if them see them woman with a man, most man and move to them woman straight. Them don't have no business with the man. Most man. Except a foreign. Me I talk about Jamaica. Because a foreign, me don't even understand it. A foreign a man where I walk with him woman and a next man I look on him woman admiringly and him want to war the man. Yo, what you looking at? What you looking at, dog? I'll mess you up. And we not join that in Jamaica. Most Jamaican man I walk with them woman and a man I pray woman. Most Jamaican man just smile about that because they say, yeah, a man I look for my woman and want my woman, but me have her up. But what I understand is why most women, they would just see them man with that woman and know say something not go on. And instead of move to the man first, they don't want to kill the woman first. But most Jamaican man don't stay so. If them see them woman with a man, they might move to the woman first. Then if the man want to run up him out and go on like him wicked, then them will step to the man and done him. But them not necessarily want to start out the war with the man. They might want to done them woman first. And I don't know why you have that difference there. Probably some people can help me understand what's going on there. But give me one more call. People, give me one more caller before I mention that. Give me one more caller. Hello. Oh, we have our back. Yeah, hello. Oh, Lord, we're going. Some connection problem this again. And foreign call, see what it look like. Here we go. Okay, give me an next caller, Ruth. Give me an next caller. We don't know what's going. Just bring in a call. I don't know what's going. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, greetings.
Yes, Raga.
Whoa.
Afternoon.
You see?
Long time listener, but first time caller, you know?
Boom bang sitting with my daddy. So what you say?
Man, you don't know still no man a gangster. I don't think that I have to reach out yet still in there, you see me? But
yeah.
Still have to call in and bless up on the program today, you see me?
Cool, man.
I don't know man a gangster. I don't know. So don't think that I have to reach me. I don't know if I show home a still or what. You don't know.
What on? A woman never catch you a give on yet?
Yeah, a woman catch me a give on already, yes.
Okay, but it never wicked.
In the street, them can't violate them. Just have just hold it on a level, you see me?
Oh, okay, God. Them know say you run your thing certain way, no?
All right, that's the way I run my thing, you see?
All right, Papa.
You have to take a thing in there, you see me? And a boy thing in there, you see me?
All right, Papa.
I don't know, I'm just happy with the whole bad people, them, and the whole, you see me? Big up yourself.
Large up, Papa. So which area do you call from?
I say, uptown me I call from, man. Radio Stewart.
No say a word. No say nothing no more. We know the levels.
Yeah,
all
man,
right, Papa. Protection.
General.
All right, Papa. No say a word, man. Large up. Okay, enough respect indeed. Here we go. Give me one more caller, Ruthie. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Just
Whoa.
want to call it to let you know the people them who walk on the street, the ladies them who walk on the street and pretend to be them, like they're nice, and them just get in a plastic bag and throw it over people's house. Yesterday, plastic bag over the fence, in a pillar case, and it's over the fence. And you talk to them and them pretend as if them don't. You're going to keep coming across the fence.
Well, lad, you're saying that you know a woman who walk on road and go on like them nice and them a hot girl, and them a defecate in a plastic bag, and a defecate in a pillowcase, and a throw it over the fence?
Yes, and the senior citizens in them house yesterday, the puppy draw the plastic, the pillowcase all over the people, and veranda, the puppy full of feces all over.
The puppy dry it all about the place over the senior citizens them out.
Come from England and ladies say, oh, I can't believe I left those bloody nasty people in England and come back here. I'm going to take it over their house and flatter it all over their face.
So all you know is a hot girl a defecate in a plastic bag and pillowcase and a throw it over the old people.
Right next behind them up to this man, I go there go look at it. And a popular entertainer, when them done them say them related to the entertainer, them are embarrassed the entertainer because them not mixed up like that.
What you said, the people who are doing them related to a popular entertainer?
DJ.
All right, just tell me the era where it's happening. Don't tell me the room. Washington Garden, this happening?
Right over the back fence, and I stop it over the fence in a plastic bag. Over the brown lady house.
Well on, stay up on the line. Ruth, I going to ask you something here.
Yeah.
All right, half the year. Oh, God. Want to hear that, people? Hot gal a walk a road, and when them there, them a defecate in a plastic bag and pillowcase, and a throw it over the people, them good yard. The people them a come from England and come retire in a Jamaica. That's the woman who's, I can't believe I left this thing in London and back here and seeing this type of nastiness and whatever. You see, chew whoever them feces in a pillowcase over the people them yard. That's all the puppy are dry all over the place. Nastiness. I said I'm related to a big artist and sitting. I walk one, man. All right. Ruth, you're supposed to send something for me. I look for it, you know. Come on around and send and let me know what going on, man. Chuck. Anyway, Nika Bamba, what you say? You go to the show.
Yeah, man, the show shot today. Me not lie. No, shot today.
And big up the duck bread.
Yeah.
And as the youth were in the yo,
well on. All right. Nico, we have to excuse her for that one because I understand the level. That she have big up the duck bread alone. We will big up the pum pum yam.
Yeah, we big up the pum pum yam.
And big up the people them who them fall up and them want to starch out.
Eh?
You know, my boy from the
bus. Fall up.
Yeah, him say you fall up. You want to steam out with a spray starch. From the cuss out. No, not good as the other one when they doing the first one.
Who Carl? Him said, Carl said that.
Yeah, said Jerker say you fall up.
You
fall up. Steam out with a spray starch.
You fall up. You want handful steam out and get some spray starch and iron out. Some on to a wrinkle. Yeah, some on crush up like brown paper bag. What? The artists and the people them I say them related to. No, we can't say that about my DJ man and I flow them with it. Yeah, one thing about that, people at gala defecate in a bag and a plastic bag and pillowcase and a throw it over people.
No excuse for that. I a nastiness, a nice nastiness them.
Yo, me tell you no, me not care nobody want to say. Yo, straight to my link, me love them, me love them, can't done at that, me say, but me not lie, you know. You see, when me say at gala and thing with Nico, me not run in, you know.
You not run in?
No, me not run in, man. Me not run in, man. You could have pretty like good because there's some guy out there, see, man, them look well in when you know them business, you know, you're shame, you know, you. Mr. Nico, you bust a word, man, and I tell you say it yourself. Nico, the man's stomachable.
Bad.
Unstomachable.
Unstomachable.
How can you show things like that? It does unstomachable.
The man's stomachable. So, for real, man, some of them are move low.
Alright, girl.
But anyway, people, take care of yourself. And I don't know, so 1 o'clock tomorrow. It's all about the Mixup party Friday and thing. We're going to shell it, we're going to mud it, we're going to turn it up, we're going to slap it where you see it. And we're not going to splash it up bad. We're going to just make sure say it run noise. Big up on big up all the yarders over mixupyard.com saying big up fan wall AC wall. Big up all of my good Jamaican people, them, because I want to set it and thing. Big up all of the elders them before we had them set it so we can there get it and thing. We give thanks indeed. Big up all of my enemies and thing. You see it when I give me reason in life to live and stand up strong against you. You see it, because we say we're going to prevail in the face of adversity. Big up my enemies and big up my frenemies. No found who are heal me and I done me behind my back and wish me evil and thing. When I look on the same way, you know. And big up all of the people and my supporters, them who stand strong and I think Tambourine Nation, Mixup and Blenda family, everything is everything. Rating like that. Rap. Them for no clip empty. I just salute and a violence. Everything is everything. Nika Bam Bam, take it away.